in Placerville, California, for the arraignment of 39-year-old Asher Edwards.
Hello, Judge.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is gonna be my new favorite show, I think. I love sovereign citizens, you know this.
Edwards' demeanor may seem pleasant, but just a few days earlier, his alleged behavior was anything but. He was charged with making terrorist threats, assault with a deadly weapon, and obstructing peace officers after a domestic disturbance escalated into a 2-day police standoff.
Mr. Edwards, this is the time and place set for your arraignment. Do you consent to have an arraignment by video conference?
Sir, is this an Maritime Admiralty Law courtroom?
Dude, look at him. He's like, I'm about to flex on you, fool. Like, I love sovereign citizens. And this is exactly why I love sovereign citizens. He's just like, I'm gonna fucking destroy you right now with this one trick. He literally thinks he can just like debate his way out of this courtroom. Like, oh, judges all around the world hate him. This sovereign citizen knows this simple trick to avoid jail time after committing crimes.
Processing me through?
No, it's not.
Edwards considers himself
Posse
a sovereign
comitatus
citizen who lives as a free man, as they like to say, under common law as established by the Founding Fathers. Maritime Admiralty law that he's referencing is the law of the sea and international commerce, a body of law that sovereign citizens believe to be the foundation of the country's modern legal system, which they reject.
This is not a Maritime Admiralty Law courtroom. I believe so.
No.
Absolutely, it is. All courtrooms in this country are Maritime Admiralty Law courtrooms that process people, aren't they?
No, sir.
That's false information. Well, either way, this courtroom is trying to process me as state property. You see this fictitious name statement? Asher Edwards, spelled in all capital letters? This is not my name.
Edwards is referring to another sovereign belief that beginning at birth, one is issued a government identity, meaning one's name is spelled in all capital letters, such as on a birth certificate or social security card, and that doesn't represent one's true.
Dude, I love this, dude. How can he not love these motherfuckers, dude? Oh, it's so good. It's so fucking good, dude. No, he didn't steal this from Dale Gribble. This is a very common trope. The Admiralty Court is a very common conservative trope. Dale Gribble was a very beautifully written character that does the meme real well. Here.
Mr. Gribble, remove your hat in my courtroom.
I do not recognize the authority of a court that hangs the gold-fringed flag. A flag with gilded edges is the flag of an admiralty court. An admiralty court signifies a naval court-martial. I cannot be court-martialed twice. That is all. Furthermore...
Bailiff, gag him. This must...
True or free self.
This name was issued to me without my consent, and you cannot legally process me through this courtroom with this without this name in all capital letters that was issued without my consent. My name is spelled Asher Edwards, first capital, all lowercase. Edwards, first capital, all lowercase.
He thinks like lowercase letters is different than capital letters, which I fucking love. I love that's the... Yeah, it's a totally different way. Bro, you're not writing a password, okay? Oh, it's so good. He thinks like, sorry, this is cap sensitive, Your Honor.
And this is the birth name given to me by my parents, protected by the Constitution of the United States.
Even as Edwards grows louder and more animated, the judge appears to take it all in stride and even allows the defendant to finish his rant.
Therefore, it is illegal for you to process me through this courtroom, so you guys have to figure out something else to do with it.
But this judge is all business, so figuring out something else to do with Edwards is not in his plans.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Will show time is not waived. We'll set this matter for pre-preliminary hearing within the statutory period.
And I would like to see the gun. It said I had a gun. I've never had a gun.
As Edwards continues his...
I don't believe. What is he gonna say? A gun? What I simply had was a healing tool or something. Like, what's he gonna say?
Rant about the alleged gun.
Has this ever worked? No. No. There is no difference between what he's saying and someone who thinks the judge is actually Elvis. Okay? Someone who is hallucinating in that courtroom. The only difference is you're so trained and conditioned to like believe conservatives because like things that are like 1 degree removed of insanity from what he's saying is routinely celebrated in the media as like normal takes that you literally think that this is like a thing that could work. No, it's not a rerun. We watched briefly parts of this yesterday. Okay. Just like at the top of the hour, it's not a rerun. A new ad break comes in. Okay. At the top of the hour, there's a new ad break at the top of every hour. If you no longer want to see those ads, though, at the top of the hour, all you need to do is subscribe. You can do that for $5 or you can do that for free. So sometimes when you hear that over and over again, it makes you think like, oh, am I hallucinating? Am I doing deja vu? Am I in the Matrix? But all you need to do is subscribe or wait for someone like Hey Tiny Cat to gift you a thank you, Hey Tiny Cat, for the 5 community gift subs. Okay. And you will be able to avoid those ads that way. But, you know, it's the best way to do it is Twitch Prime, which is free. Okay. And to the sovereign Twitch viewers, you're still going to be served an ad. You know, sorry. This is not a maritime courtroom. Thank you. No Time for Z's and Cold Hearts for the 5 community gift subs as well. Here's the ad break now. This ad is not legal under naval maritime law. I'm a pirate. I'm a butt pirate. Thank you, the real Captain Spock, for the 5 gifted subs.
Judge reaches for his own weapon of choice, the mute button.
Oh, dude, I thought he was actually going to reach for a fucking gun. That would have been really funny. American courtrooms are so insane.
They're
Do not speak while I am speaking, sir.
Edwards continues to plead his case, but to no avail.
Court will set bail in the amount of $72,500. Next matter.
Asher Edwards would later be found guilty of all the charges and sentenced to 1 year in prison. Next, we go to a bond hearing in Broward County. Judge John Hurley presiding. The defendant is David Hall, a sovereign citizen who basically believes that certain laws don't apply to him.
Mr. Hall has declined the services of the public defender, Your Honor.
Hall is here for driving under the influence and driving with a suspended license.
Oh, this is great.
Mr. Hall, DUI, expired driver's license.
I suspect he's going to, Your Honor, I was simply trying to become a congressperson in the great state of Florida, the Sunshine State, Your Honor. As you know, in Broward County, the only way to become a congressperson coming out of Florida is by getting numerous DUIs. And I was simply traveling.
Judge.
As soon as the judge attempts to read the charges, Hall begins interrupting.
Sir, I haven't said for the court how I'm appearing today.
Damn, homies came up. They're stanced up behind him.
I'm not asking you yet. Just give me a moment, all right? I need to look at your record.
Turns out Hall is currently out on bond for 2 previous charges of driving with a suspended license. But that's not going to stop him from trying to make his case.
Sir, today I'm appearing as the agent and settler for David Hall.
Okay. Could you get Mr. Hall for me then, sir? Where is he?
I go by that name, sir. My name sounds exactly like the defendant's, and I'm here to settle that matter today.
So are you and David Hall one and the same person?
I'm not a person, I'm an individual. David Hall is a person, I am a private individual.
Hall's legalese is unconventional, to say the least, but the judge allows him to continue.
May I say something?
He's like, we're going to have fun today. You know, this is like, I guess this could be kind of fun for the judges, you know? Like, you're fucking bored all day, you know? You get like some fucking sick psycho just being like, You know? It's like when I keep the gray names in the chat. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, after a while it gets annoying and the gray names are overwhelming and they bother me, but you know, sometimes it's good to have fun at work.
Anything else for the record, sir?
Go ahead, sir.
I appear here today as the settler agent, not the person, but the individual. And I don't think I should have you understand the
So
difference
you're the
between a
settler,
person and an
you're the
individual.
agent, and you're the individual, but you're not the person. Is that correct?
Correct.
Got it.
Correct.
I'm going to write that down.
Judge Hurley is unfazed by Hall's attempt at a Jedi mind trick and begins to turn the tables.
Here's what we're going to do. The settler, the agent, the individual, and maybe even the person, David Hall, has been charged with DUI. So today, the court's going to set your the settler, the agent, the individual's bond, and even
Bro, he's literally playing. He's like a lion playing with his prey. He's literally like a cat. He's like a cat playing with its food before he eats it. Okay? He's just fucking having fun. It's so fun. I mean, it's great. Thank you for doing this so we can watch.
the person's bond today at $10,000 because the settler, the agent, the individual, and the person continues to drive without a driver's license.
Hall's new bond is $10,000.
This judge would respect your neo-pronouns, by the way, straight up.
But because this charge is a violation of his original bond, all versions of David Hall must remain in jail unless he can come up with the cash.
Both cases will cause the settler, the agent, the individual, and even the person, David Hall, not to be able to be released from the Broward County Jail until further notice of the court. So,
May I post bond, sir?
Now it's Judge Hurley's turn to have some fun.
well,
Is there any other-
are you asking me as the settler, the agent, the individual, or are you asking me as the person?
Sir, I'm asking, as the individual appearing before you today, the
Wait, who are you
opportunity...
speaking on behalf of right now?
Sir, I don't understand that question. I believe that you're trying to confuse me now. I'm not the person, sir.
Okay, when
I am
you
not
see the
the
person,
person.
David Hall, tell him he's not leaving jail either, all right? Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Come on.
Down the middle. Let's roll.
Next, we're at the Cheshire County Courthouse in Keene, New Hampshire. Court is currently in recess, but there is trouble brewing in the gallery.
Please tell me there's more of this. I need more of this.
Your choice is take the hat off or step outside.
The judge asked this man, Bo Davis, to remove his hat or leave. Otherwise, he
Oh my God, are you serious? Is he gonna pull a Dale Gribble verbatim? I will lose it.
could be charged.
Also, if your name is Bo Davis, it's kind of your parents' fault that you are a sovereign citizen. Like, you were destined. You were destined to be a sovereign citizen. With a name like Bo Davis, it's over. Like, you have to. You have no other, like, you have no other life path that you could follow. Okay?
Charged with contempt of court, but Davis refuses.
So I have force threatened upon me if I were to wear a hat.
Davis and some others seated around him
The other guy's like, bitch, I'm bald too. You see me? He's like, come on, bro. Come on, Bo. I took mine off. Oh, Jesus Christ, dude.
are associated with the New Hampshire-based anti-government movement. They're here to support a fellow
Of
member.
course, dude. They hit the high notes, dude. New Hampshire, the most libertarian state in America. This is incredible. Yeah, he does look like Bill Daltrey, dude. It's like racist Bill and Dale Gribble. It's bullshit. He's making him take off his hat and threatening contempt, though. Yeah, but it's still fucking hilarious.
And some others seated around him are associated with the New Hampshire-based anti-government movement. They're here to support a fellow member who's the defendant in a, quote, right to travel case that's in recess. These so-called sovereign citizens claim to be pushing back against what they consider overreach in the criminal justice system, and they're not afraid to get vocal about it.
I think you misunderstood. It's the judge's authority when he comes back. If at that point he says he's in contempt, then you have the authority.
Would not have been an issue had you. Your choice is take the hat off. I'm trying to be as nice as I can. I can't. You're making threats.
After more back and forth with Davis and relentless commentary from others in the gallery,
What's the matter with you guys?
I really hope he doesn't take his hat off. I want to see him go to jail. It'd be pretty funny.
Huh?
the bailiff is finally done.
Like, he's kind of right. Like, in theory, I get it. Like, the whole, like, you can't wear a hat in court. Like, fuck off, okay? But also, at the same time, it's pretty funny when you watch sovereign citizens get owned.
Discussing the matter.
Stand up, please. Sir, treat others as you would wish. Come on, please. Come on. I'm being nice. Well, I'm not going to assist in my own arrest. So. I don't. You should take your hands
Oh,
off.
my God. Here you have the most sane sovereign citizen engaging in the deadweight technique. Of course, because he's a sovereign citizen, he hasn't really, he's been spending too much time studying up on maritime law, and instead of eating food. So it's going to be quite easy to fucking ragdoll him out of this courtroom.
Please stand up.
A second bailiff comes to help escort Davis out, but again, he refuses to stand.
I'm not going to assist in my own arrest.
I'm not asking you to assist. Please do not hurt him.
Instead of dragging Davis out of the courtroom, the bailiffs use a wheelchair.
Just leave people alone, you know.
As Davis is wheeled out, the group continues to insult the bailiffs.
Considered like a real job when we're gonna use violence against people.
The funny thing is, like, I'm gonna be honest with you, this is the only time where I side with the criminal justice system, okay? And like the people that are the representatives of the court, is the only time. Especially because, like, look at the kindness that they're demonstrating here to Dale Gribble, whereas, like, you know, like disabled disability activists get like beaten up brutally by Capitol police officers on a regular basis whenever they try to fucking protest outside of like a congressperson's room or something. Like, there are endless amounts of imagery of like just beating the shit out of like fucking people that have like Down syndrome and like fucking ripping them off their wheelchairs and shit like that. So it's hilarious to see you know, a thug, a jackbooted thug of the Maritime Admiralty Law courtroom behave this way against another you know, honest dissenter.
Despite their protests, the court has authority to make rules about conduct in the courtroom. So a short time later, the judge returned to the courtroom and sentenced Bo Davis to 5 days in jail for contempt of court.
No way. Okay,
I'm
that's...
gonna take my picture. I got a haircut.
Good one. I'm glad you can make jokes.
Meet the man in the fur cap.
I mean, owned, but also kind of fucked up.
21-year-old Robert Peterson. He's the...
Yeah, judges do have way too much fucking power. That's crazy, dude. That is fucked, dude. He went to jail for 5 days. In perhaps the most privileged way, though. Like Khalif Browder was sentenced to... no sentence, actually. Sorry. Khalif Browder spent years in prison, okay, for being falsely accused of stealing a backpack without a day in court. This motherfucker went to jail for 5 days for wearing a hat, okay? For wearing a hat. Like, he could have just taken the hat off, but he was like, no, I'm not. What the fuck? Did you guys F a little bit? That was weird again. It F'd a little bit. A teeny tiny mini F.
The person filming this footage as he enters the Kootenai County Courthouse in Idaho.
That has to go through the X-ray machine if you want to come in this building.
Peterson is a hearing for a minor traffic infraction, riding his bicycle at night without a light. But from the moment he steps inside the door, it's clear this won't be a typical security check.
And I'd just like to know where your warrant is.
I don't need
It's clearly posted on the entrance building.
What? Clearly posted that I have to forfeit my right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure?
Coming into this building.
Yeah, every person is. I'm not a person.
Oh my God, dude. My man's like, I'm not entering this courtroom. This is an unlawful search and seizure. If you want me to empty out my pockets, I will not be doing so.
I'm a man.
Dude, why do sovereign citizens think that this is like a straight up fucking cheat code? You know?
And more specifically, a free man. Peterson considers himself a sovereign citizen.
I'm not subject to your jurisdiction, and the court has already confirmed that. I'm here for one purpose. All right.
You can submit or you can leave.
That's fine. I mean, I'll do that, but you will be charged a bill.
Charged a bill? Rather than escalating the situation, one of the bailiffs decides to play along.
You will be served a bill. I don't have any weapons. I didn't come here to raise a ruckus.
After clearing security, Peterson finds a seat at the rear of the courtroom and continues filming.
Sir, there are no cameras in the court.
Excuse me?
There are no cameras in the court.
Yeah, there is.
No, you have to put that away.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Under what authority?
You have to have a court order from a judge before you can have a camera in the courtroom.
Okay, well, I'm going to capture this on video.
You gotta turn.
Bro, that's crazy. Of course you can't fucking, like, you literally cannot bring a fucking camera into the courtroom and like use it. What are you, insane? There's like countless amounts of private information being discussed there. Like you can't just like fucking, you absolutely need to fucking get prior authority. Yeah, there it is. It's right there. He just did. Yeah, I mean, technically he can do that, but he's going to be held in contempt of court.
Turn it off.
It's for both of our protection.
Well, you have to turn it off.
No, thank you.
Enter bailiff number 2.
Shut the camera off now.
No, thank you.
Dude, these fucking bailiffs are such, they are such hot dog men, dude. Look at these fucking potato heads over here. Every single one of them.
To you touching me or seizing my property, so you need to back up.
Shut the camera off now.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yes, you are.
I'm holding you accountable because you're about to overstep your bounds.
The bailiffs then decide to clear the courtroom and question Peterson directly.
What's your first and last name?
I don't have a last name.
You don't have
What?
No.
What? Come on, dude. I don't have a last name. It's XQC. Yeah. X. My name? X. The letter X.
What's your first name?
I don't have a first name either. I've got a name. My name is Robert. You can call me Robert.
As you can see, this bailiff keeps his sense of humor about the situation.
What are you? Are you human?
I'm a man.
You're human?
I'm a man, yes.
Can I see your Idaho state license?
No, I don't have one.
You don't have one?
My person does, but I don't.
With the situation seemingly diffused,
Come on in, folks.
the bailiffs usher everyone back into the courtroom. Well, except for one person.
Excuse me.
Camera.
Excuse me. You're blocking my freedom of movement.
I am.
You're blocking my freedom of movement, dude. Excuse me, you're giving me an ocular pat down. I did not. This person is being protected by the U.S. Constitution. You know, this is an unlawful search and seizure. An ocular pat down would technically fall under that category. This guy is trolling. No, he's not. This is how they are, dude.
All right. Well, Pete Barnes, you just admitted to me that you're violating my rights.
No, I'm not. You can't come in with the camera.
Well, you're violating my rights. And this is also freedom of the press.
From behind you.
This is also freedom of the press. I mean, I don't know what the hell law book you're reading, man, but it doesn't apply to me. Why are you worried about cameras? Because you want to do something wrong? Because you want to do something wrong? Because if it's against the rules, that means
Yeah, it's like, I'm gonna walk into this dude's house and film him in the bathroom. You're blocking, sir. Your bathroom door is violating my freedom of movement. You better take this down right now before I engage in the lawful act of breaking it down. I will be filming you. Are you doing something that I don't want you to see in there?
Is because somebody intends on wronging somebody else because they're afraid of being held accountable. P. Barnes.
It's a nice speech.
That's what Dr. Disrespect should have said to Twitch when they banned him for the bathroom incident. You know what I mean? Sir, you're violating my freedom of movement.
You're still not coming in.
Well,
this is a gray area. They're in a public forum. Yeah, but there is a reason for why they don't want cameras in the fucking courtroom. And that reason is that, like, again, a lot of private information is being uttered at any given moment. Okay? Like, especially if you're not in like a sunshine law state like Florida, you can't just be fucking filming people that are like literally up there on a bench warrant, having to deal with like DUIs, you know, all this other shit. You know what I mean?
please step aside. I'm going in.
No, you're not going in.
Don't touch me.
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you just battered me.
Step back.
And you're using...
Oh, we got fucking tased, dude. That's awesome. Sorry. That's very fucked up. That is actually fucked up. That is brutality, okay? He did not need to do that. He did not need to do that. That is, like, very fucked up. But also, it was hard for me not to fucking...
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you just battered me.
Step back.
And you're using...
You just battered me.
Please step aside. I'm going in.
No, you're not going in.
Don't touch me.
You're not going in, sir.
Let the record show that you just battered me.
Step back.
And you're using...
Step back.
Oh, they're doing the replay too. Oh, this is brutal. Dude, A&E is fucking brutal. They also played the replay. A&E said, run it back. Let's run the tape again.
After Peterson refuses to step back, Chief Bailiff Pete Barnes fires his taser.
And you're using... Stop, please. I'm not doing anything wrong. Hey, you know what? You guys are really overstepping your bounds right now.
Put the cuffs on him.
Put the cuffs on. What are you arresting me for?
The answer to that question? Peterson's charged with 3 counts of battery and 1 count of contempt of court. He would later enter an Alford plea, meaning he didn't admit to committing a crime, but acknowledged there was likely enough evidence to convict him. Jail time was waived as part of the plea deal, and he was ordered to pay a fine for his original charge of riding a bike at night without a light.
How do I describe this? It's like very clearly there's an escalation of force there, okay, by the cops, and they are absolutely in the wrong. But like, there's this thing about people who are so fucking annoying about violating the rules in the most like rule-abiding way possible that it feels good when you see them do this. Like, it's just like, I don't know how to describe it other than like, I know it's wrong and I shouldn't feel like joy when I see a guy like this get fucking tased by a meathead cop like this, but it's just like still, it's rewarding. I feel bad about it, but Evil Hasan be like, that's awesome. Is that how I be like? It's excessive but hilarious. Yeah. It's like seeing a debate lord get tased. It's wrong but funny. Yeah, that's what it is.
Light.
Keisha Johnson.
Now to Louisville, Kentucky. and the Jefferson County District Court. An arraignment hearing is underway for 18-year-old Keisha Johnson, who's charged with possession of marijuana, drug paraphernalia, and tampering with physical evidence.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Come on up here, ma'am.
Okay. This is unique. You don't often have like the sovereign citizens are almost exclusively white men. So it's interesting to see a black woman be like a sovereign citizen as well. This is unique for sure.
I would like to stand here.
When called upon, Johnson decides to address the judge, Sean Delahanty, from the back of the court.
No, you stand at this podium.
Awesome.
I get,
Tell me
Come on, you have to come up here. We can't record
what
your
laws
back.
you guys operate under?
the laws of the state of Kentucky.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, there are a multitude of reasons as to why there aren't that many black sovereign citizens. One of the main reasons being that sovereign citizens, whether you like to admit it or not, love being around cops. They love being around cops to annoy them, okay? But like a black person doesn't really get to have that same liberty of like annoying cops. You know what I mean? That's part of the reason why it's like almost exclusively white people shit.
As in like amateur law, common law, statutory?
Come up here and stand at this podium. I have to get you on the record so that we can see you with your argument.
Okay, well, for on the record, I reserve my right before crossing this bench.
Johnson's refusing to cooperate because she's part of a sovereign citizens movement, which rejects institutions and believe they aren't bound by the country's laws.
Well, Mr. Johnson, I really don't want to create some big scene.
Okay, well,
Hang on a second. I do not want to lock you up, but I may very well have to. I need for you to come up here and stand at this podium.
Can I just sit there so I don't
No,
know
you
if I'm
cannot.
breaching the common law?
No, you cannot. You have to come up here and stand at this podium.
As the bizarre scene plays out, there's another disruption in the back of the courtroom when a bailiff tells 36-year-old Jenna Vondran to stop filming on her cell phone.
Show me the law. Show me the law.
In Kentucky, judges are given broad discretion on allowing filming in their courtrooms.
This is my property. Show me the law.
All right.
Show me the law.
Chris?
Show me the law.
Chris?
Show me the law.
Go ahead and lock her up.
Show me the law.
Go ahead and take her into custody.
Watch as the judge looks down and presses his panic button to summon additional deputies to the courtroom.
What are you doing? There's no right. You have no right.
You sit over there. Nothing wrong.
You have no right. No right for that.
Yeah, I'm not finished with her yet. All right.
After a quick reset, the original defendant, Keisha Johnson, finally comes forward to the podium.
You're charged with possession of marijuana, tampering with physical evidence, and possession of drug paraphernalia.
I don't understand any of that.
All right. Well, you're charged with illegally possessing marijuana.
Yes, I can.
While the judge's attention is back with Johnson, deputies in the hallway are still trying to get control of Vondran, the woman with the cell phone.
I don't understand any of those charges.
Well, there's not a whole lot more.
Sorry. It's so fucked up because this other person is like about to go to jail for literally having weed possession. Like, this country is so fucked. But also at the same time, you hear her screaming in the background.
There's not a whole lot more I can do to try to explain to you.
When trying to play clueless doesn't work, Johnson goes back on the offensive.
Let's start here. Can you guys prove jurisdiction? Prove jurisdiction because I come in under common law. Prove your jurisdiction, that you have jurisdiction over me. Prove jurisdiction. A court cannot proceed until you guys prove jurisdiction. Show me your jurisdiction. Show me your law.
All right. All of our laws are codified in the Kentucky Revised Statute.
Show me jurisdiction. Show me the law.
Hey, here you go.
Okay, that doesn't prove that you have jurisdiction.
Okay, so what else? And now, there's a simple way for me to prove jurisdiction to you. I'm going to ask the deputy to go ahead and take you into custody.
Under what charges?
Under
what charges?
You are disrupting my court. All right, we're going to pass her case to tomorrow.
You guys are being mistreated and it's wrong. Under common law, under the United States Constitution. And if they keep doing this,
I'm conflicted. On the one hand, like the charges are such bullshit. On the other hand, like she's literally doing it to herself. You know what I mean? Like the original charges are fucking bullshit. But then like and the judge is a piece of shit, but she's like straight up doing it on her own.
Keisha Johnson's arrested and charged with contempt of court. Fast forward to the next day, and she's about to face a new judge.
Keisha Johnson, 56.
This time, Johnson's represented by an attorney.
I don't know how familiar you are with this, but this
I'm
case.
familiar. Podium flipper.
Okay.
I've heard a little bit about it from
Okay.
yesterday. All right, so this is Miss Johnson. We'll note that she's in custody today. She's brought over and present.
And she'd like to make a statement.
Victim blaming, shaking my head. You don't understand the sovereign citizen plight. I mean, she's like double screwed because she's also black. And like, if you're white and you're a sovereign citizen, you put yourself in a situation where you're like interacting with cops like 90% of the fucking time for like, you know, not having the appropriate license or like purposely violating like zoning laws or some shit. You know what I mean? But if you're a black woman in Kentucky, like you're already constantly fucking dealing with cops anyway. So for you to then on top of that be a sovereign citizen, you're literally just like, what are you doing? You know?
Statement to the court.
I had time to think about it, and I believe and I've learned that I need to represent myself in a respectable manner while in front of the judge.
Okay, so obviously that behavior will not be tolerated. That's why you ended up where you are.
Keisha Johnson's found guilty of contempt of court and is released from jail after serving 1 day. On her original charges, 2 were dropped, but she's found guilty of possession of marijuana, fined $185. As for Jenna Vondran, who was arrested after filming in the courtroom,
All right. Go ahead and lock her up.
she's found guilty of disorderly conduct and serves 1 day in jail.
Thanks for being a fan of Court Case.
Love this, dude. I actually do love this. This court cam shit is great. Lawyers behaving badly. Top 6 moments. Dude, what the fuck, dude? A&E's got fire content, dude. A murderer blames his crimes on COVID-19. Oh my God. What the fuck? Oh, this is it, dude. This is fucking absolute fire, dude. Oh shit. What are they doing? Like, what kind of bad behavior? Have you ever watched 60 Days In? They pay normal people a few grand to spend 2 months in prison. A&E slaps. A&E is like lifetime for 35-year-old true crime moms. Love this, dude. I love this.
We're off now to Raleigh, North Carolina, and the Wake County Courthouse. Visitors, attorneys, and employees of the court are entering the building and going through the main security checkpoint.
A&E picked up cops and started their own version that got people killed. Yeah, that guy who's also the host of A&E's court cam is the guy responsible for that, no?
Watch closely as this man picks up his personal belongings from the container. Whoops. He has no idea he just dropped his wallet, and now he heads to the elevators. It's not until he attempts to pay a court research fee on another floor that he realizes his wallet is missing. Inside is $1,600 in cash.
Goddamn.
Fortunately for him, someone returns the wallet to another security checkpoint in the building later that day. Unfortunately for him, it's missing the cash. So security does some sleuthing. Moments after he drops his wallet, this gentleman makes his way through security and apparently...
No way. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? No way, dude. Oh, A-Lab, straight up. Allah liker would agree. Okay, all lawyers are fucking bastards, dude. A-Lab also means all lawyers are bald. Bro, that's nuts, dude. My man is fucking, he's ninja looting, dude. In the courtroom. That's awesome. That's great. That's wild that he just did that. And you know he's been there. Like, so he knows there's cameras everywhere. Why did he think that he could? Oh my God. Bro, they don't pay the public defenders enough. Yeah, literally. Yo, that's my lawyer, dog. He's going to jail. Look at my lawyer, dog. He's going to jail. Oh, that's so stupid. Okay. You know what this reminds me of? The fucking San Diego freeway, where like over the weekend, I think like one of these cars, like one of the fucking armed cars, like I don't know what happened, but like there was like $100 bills on the ground. Did you guys see this? We'll look at it after this, but apparently there was just like cash everywhere on the fucking freeway in San Diego, and you know they were just like grabbing it. People were just grabbing it. People were like filming themselves. They arrested 2 people. First of all, you might laugh at me for saying this, but I didn't realize like if you find fucking, you know, if you find money on the ground like that, or like, you know, in a situation like that, picking up money is illegal. I did not know that. I actually thought that that was like, you know, it's free money, dude. What do you mean? Finders keepers, right? And apparently it is. It is literally illegal. And I found that out from this story because I was thinking to myself, like, if I'm there, I'm fucking grabbing cash. You know what I mean? I mean, I wouldn't do it with like, I probably wouldn't do it while like dancing for a tic tac, okay, in the same way that they were doing it. It wasn't picking up. It was a crashed bank car. But I mean, still, you don't know. Whatever. It was an armored Brinks truck. Yeah. Exactly. Possession of stolen property is the main way thieves get caught. Okay, well, why is that stolen? It's on the ground, you know? That's like... Okay, here, let's just look at this story real quick. We'll get back to the lawyer in a second. So apparently an armored car dropped cash on I-5 in Carlsbad, California, okay? And the drivers stopped to scoop it up. Makes sense up until this point. Dude, what? You said, what the fuck? You don't need that cash? You have a $10 million estate in California? First of all, why would I say no to fucking cash on the... If cash is like fucking, you know... if I'm being showered with $100 bills, like, I'm going to pick some of them up. You know what I mean? Sorry, that's insane, okay? Why would you say no to free money? Well, apparently because it's illegal, which I didn't know. You know what I mean?
Northbound on Interstate 5, north of Cannon in Carlsbad. About approximately 9:14 this morning, there was an armored truck traveling northbound, and one of the doors popped open, and some bags of cash fell out. Some of the bags broke apart in the lanes, and there was cash across all the lanes. Numerous people stopped in the lanes and were picking up the cash. There's a lot of video evidence showing people picking up the cash and license plates and so forth that we're going to follow up on. So I highly suggest anybody who picked up cash out here, it's not your cash. So
stop filming it, you fucking goobers. What is wrong with you?
Turn it in immediately to the CHP office in Vista.
Can I just take your car because you left it on the ground then? What? I mean, sure, brother. If you want to steal my fucking car, dude, if you're going to steal my goddamn 2010 fucking Toyota Camry Sport Edition, like what the fuck, dude? How are you making it seem like literally bags of cash fucking flying around is the exact same as like Grand Theft Auto? Like, why are you so stupid? If you can pick it up with your hands, you can steal it, okay? Idiot. It's the same energy as like, oh, dude, I can't believe you don't like... I mean, it's like old-fashioned bank robberies, okay? If someone drops their literal wallet, it's not the same. Because that obviously belongs to someone. But if it fucking belongs to the bank and is right in front of your face, like, I feel like that's a different... oh, God. We're doing that thing that we always do on Twitch because everyone is, like, literalist semantics experts over here. And they just love typing out, like, idiotic arguments in the chat just so they can, like, make an argument for the sake of making an argument. Okay? And try to like and catch my moral system on guard. I noticed your house is grounded. I'm stealing it now. The deed is in my name. It's too late. I'm evicting you before Thanksgiving. You're acting like they had no way it belonged to the Brinks trucks parked there. No, but it belongs to the bank. Imagine you're walking home with a brand new... See, this is what I mean. Imagine you're walking home with a brand new Gucci watch. Your dumbass trips and face plants into the concrete, removing all your clothes. Would it make sense for someone to just walk by and be entitled to your shit? If you have to fucking create a hypothetical that is physically impossible, then you can't use that as a counter argument, okay? You just can't do that. That's such an idiotic fucking argument, dude.
We have a joint investigation going on with the FBI right now. So we will be working together with them and hopefully recovering as much money as we can and doing a thorough investigation. It's illegal to stop on the freeway for any non-emergency reason. Not only is it illegal, but it's dangerous.
It is an emergency, man. There's fucking cash everywhere. Okay? That's sweet moolah, okay? That's sweet, sweet insured bank money, brother. That's right, dude. All I'm going to say is this, okay? If a situation like that happens, know that it's illegal, which I did not know. So, you know, don't appear on camera with your face out in the open. A truck full of Mountain Dew fell over on the highway and everyone took that shit. No cops ever arrested anyone. Yeah, same principle. That was, you know, that's insured too. If a truck carrying iPhone 13s just crashed there and there are hundreds everywhere, I'm picking up as many as I can. Same with cash. People who say they wouldn't are lying to themselves. Like, yeah, if I saw one person drop their phone, I'm not stealing it. But if it's fresh from the factory, why not? It's insurance covered. Exactly. Why do like weirdos, especially in Twitch chat, more than anywhere else, try to act like no context can ever exist? Like, I'm just gonna rob everything of its context and like reduce it to a singular action. And that singular action is always wrong or it's always right and nothing in between. It's so weird.
So never stop on the freeway. I know that cash floating around is a tempting thing for a lot of people.
Like I said, wear a mask, you know, to prevent you from getting COVID. Wear a mask also and hide, you know, identifiable features. If you have like a big tattoo or something, maybe a hat, maybe some glasses as well. You know, it's always good to have those things on you when you're on the highway. Make sure that you don't have anything like recognizable on your person. Make sure that you're not like walking immediately to your car if there's any cameras, you know, that sort of thing. I'm just saying that like these are many different ways in which they can catch you if you are, you know, in a book, reading a book about stealing money or technically stealing, but is not really stealing from the highway. Okay? I mean, this person literally did the exact opposite, which was so dumb.
Literally everybody stopped on the freeway to get money off of the freeway. This is literally...
This guy is smart. Okay? He saw people are fucking filming and shit. And what did he do? Look what he did. He put a towel in front of his license plate. Now, obviously, that's still extremely identifiable. Okay? It's still like gonna be really difficult to hide what your car situation looks like. Not his first time. But yeah, don't do this. Don't do it openly. Don't show your face.
Insane. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Hey, yo, the entire freeway just shut down. It's through money. He's gone. He's gone, bro.
All they'll do is watch footage from other cameras prior to that area. Dude ain't getting on with it. Yeah, that's true. It's pretty hard to get away with crimes like this. The only way that you can get away with a crime like this, honestly, is if you fucking, I don't know, if you like, I can't even think of a way actually. Like, there's no way you can get away with a crime like this. You can't, because it's like your car is registered. If they just don't care enough to find everyone, you know? No, even if you're a fucking hitchhiker, they can figure it out. Is it actually illegal, or was it bullshit charge for blocking traffic? This being considered criminal is fucking criminal. I agree, by the way. I do. I think like you should absolutely be able to take that money and spend it however you want. But yeah, the only way that you can maybe get away with it is if you're just walking by, in which case like the money is still traceable. So even then it doesn't matter. They can like figure out, they can trace it back ultimately to you at some point through what you purchased, depending on what you are purchasing. So, you know, probably have to launder it somehow. But yeah, there's no shot. You're not going to be fucking walking by the freeway. Otherwise, they're literally just picking up cash they found on the street. It doesn't matter. Like, I thought so too, but they can... How can they track it? By the time it gets to a bank, and it inevitably will, if you spend it and it makes its way to a bank, they will trace it back, depending on how big of a purchase you made or something like that, to try to figure out who the fuck originally was there. It's already insured. You should be able to pick that up. Lol, HasanAbi, so you can destroy someone's house because it's insured. Wait, what? Of course it's illegal. It's not your money. It's stealing. Okay. I'm going to repeat this one more time. It's illegal, but it feels like it shouldn't be. Okay? It's illegal, but it feels like it shouldn't be. Do you understand? Technically, you are stealing from the bank, okay? It's insured money. But, I mean, come on. That's my counter. Come on, what are you fucking... If someone drops their house on the freeway, I'm fucking it up. Dude, the funny thing is like... Dude, there's a term for this, okay? It fell off the back of a truck. That's why in like old mafia movies, they always say, hey, I got this fucking TV. It fell off the back of a truck over here. This literally fell off the back of a fucking truck. Okay? I'm just saying. The only thing you can do is hope that the cops do not have the resources to fucking prosecute every single person that's involved in the situation, and you can get away with it. That's it. Criminals say that. Yeah, I know. Stealing, no, yeah, still stealing no matter how you feel about it, though. Yeah, I understand that. I do. I understand that. I don't know if you're one of those people that's like currently doing this to stunlock me. No, I wouldn't do that because I've been raised to think that's still theft. Wait, what? People are so fucking stupid. It's still stealing no matter... Dude, pirating fucking movies is stealing, idiot. You don't do that either? What kind of weird shit is this, you fucking dumbass narc? 12-month Andy over here? How the fuck have you been in this community for 12 months? Did you have an aneurysm when I was talking about stealing from Walgreens? If that's your fucking take, like, you probably died. Fuck me up, Dad. What the fuck? Sorry, my dad is the bank. My last name is Mr. Bank. Dude, that is, yeah, using an ad block to avoid the ads at the top of the hour is also illegal. You're stealing ad dollars from Amazon, okay? Which is why I always advocate to use and not use that, and instead use a $5 a month subscription in the form of either a regular $5 a month subscription or a Twitch Prime. That's right, because at the top of the hour, there's a 60-second ad break, okay? Do not be a criminal. Okay, you can also wait for a fucking gifted sub that may never come. Always, you've always said this. I'm like very, you know, theft is bad and wrong, yada yada, all that sort of stuff. But I'm always in the morally gray area when it comes to pirating shit or when it comes to theft of multiple different layers. Okay, I think that it's like wage theft, immoral, wrong, goes unpunished. Civil assets forfeiture, the state stealing from you, immoral, wrong, goes unpunished, is actually celebrated. You know, those are horrible kinds of theft. But like stealing because you need to feed your fucking family, okay? Depending on what you're stealing, where you're stealing from, you know, come on, piracy. Ridiculous. You're also using AdBlock? I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I've never used AdBlock. No Time Force, thank you for gifting 5 ungrateful fucks the opportunity to avoid the ads, and so did Wonder Pants, okay? Anyway, after pirating stuff, you can always buy the item you liked. Yeah. Here's the 1 minute ad break now, by the way. The case law is clear here. It was settled in the landmark case Finders v. Keepers. People act like stealing bread is the same as robbing a bank. It's insane. Well, you shouldn't hear what I have to say about robbing banks too. I really do unironically wish like people could rob banks again, like old-timey westerns. You know what I mean? As long as nobody gets hurt, it is the most honorable way to make money. Straight up. More power to you, okay? Oh my God. Oh my God. Where is the person that just said this? I need to celebrate what you just said. Oh my God. Lastman is right. Oh, dude, you are so good at crime. Best tactic would be take a bunch of money and return like half of it. Except the rest of it you can only buy drugs with. Because like they will, if that money comes back to you, they can trace it and they can charge you with it. But that's brilliant, dude. Oh my God. Literally grab like $10,000 and be like, oh my God, look, I only grabbed like fucking $2,000. Look at how much money I grabbed. Like, that's crazy. I'm giving it back. Boom. Oh my God. Now you have fucking $8,000 to just spend on drugs. Holy shit. That's brilliant. I didn't even think of that. Fuck, that's awesome. Or street tacos. Yeah. Wouldn't that screw over your drug dealer? What the fuck? Are you fucking stupid, dude? He's selling drugs, dog. I'm sure he has larger problems to worry about, dude. Oh. Spend it at your favorite laundromat in order to lower your water bill. No, the drug dealer union would protect him against counterfeits and stolen money, thankfully. Yeah, that's how it works. How are they going to know what numbers on the cash are unless it's straight from the bank? No, these are from the bank. They're not marked bills, no? $10K worth of 20s and 10s and lowers takes a lot of space. You can only fit like $4.5 thousand in hundreds in a normal wallet. I tried for science. What the fuck? Use the money in vending machines. Make a small purchase and the money is washed. An old tip from the IRA when they used to rob banks. TJ and Mexico is only a 15 to 30 minute drive. Just spend it there. That's true. That's a good way to do it too. Anyway, but yeah, it's fucking ridiculous that people are, people have this kind of attitude where it's like, I really don't feel I really don't feel bad about fucking people stealing money from banks. Okay, especially because it's insured. Oh, but then the rates go up. Okay, dude, don't worry. You're getting fucked in like 11 different ways by every corporation that you've ever fucking encountered. So like, you'll be all right, okay? You don't have to worry about the fucking poor banks and their feelings as long as nobody's hurt. The bank always wins, okay? The bank is always going to win. In Las Vegas, the house always wins. And in America, the bank always wins. Because the bank is going to get that money back one way or the other, okay? Don't worry. What about the mom and pop banks? Yo, I work at a bank. Chill. Okay, well, first of all, I'm saying obviously don't hurt any of the tellers or anything like that. Also, in the United States of America, tellers are told not to fucking interrupt, and they will literally give you the money. Because it is way worse for the bank overall for the teller to ever have an altercation with the robber. So if you are to rob a bank, like, don't worry, they literally will just give you whatever you fucking want. You're gonna still get marked bills though. It could explode. There's like exploding marked bills. There's the exploding ink. But ultimately, you don't have to do anything. Like, you don't have to hurt anyone. You don't have to hurt any of the tellers or anything like that. They're actually supposed to just give you the money when you ask for it. So anyway, robbing banks isn't worth it anymore. Yeah, NFTs are better. Just rob the poor by telling them that, you're going to go to the fucking moon. Straight up. All right, let's get back to this guy, though. Yeah, most places have a policy to give the robber everything that they're asking for because the liability is way worse if they fucking harm the teller or the person that's working at the cash register.
Becomes aware of the situation.
I love the zooms. That's pretty funny.
He and the wallet head to the elevators, just missing the wallet's owner. It looks like he's checking out the contents. He goes up to the 4th floor. A short time later, he's back in an elevator.
You know he went to the bathroom.
See what looks like the wallet here in his folder. He gets off on the first floor and turns the wallet into security, minus the cash.
That's so stupid, bro. There's cameras everywhere. Why did you do this, dude? God damn.
He tells them he found the wallet in a bathroom. Security's able to track him down and arrest him in court. What was he doing in court? Defending someone. Because he is a defense attorney. He's convicted of misdemeanor larceny, and as a result, he's disbarred, fired from his job, no longer allowed to practice law in the state of North Carolina. Arrangements are made to pay back the $1,600 to its rightful owner. Next, we go to a child custody hearing in Las Vegas, Nevada. The plaintiff is Shelby Bachman, and the defendant, Jonathan King. The couple are arguing over visitation rights for their 2-year-old son, Joseph. The issue is King's unpredictable work schedule. The attorneys are Don Procopius, and for the defense, Machancy Kramer.
Because my client is a UPS driver, his schedule, though, is not a set schedule. It varies.
My man said, if there's cameras everywhere, why aren't you allowed to film in court? Boys, I think we got sovereign citizens in here. Okay? Because that's a sovereign citizen ass take. CCTV footage to like stop exactly that sort of situation from happening is not the same as like a private individual filming, you know, inside of a courtroom where private information is being uttered on a moment's basis. Okay, so get that First Amendment auditor ass take out of here, please. I'm a sovereign citizen and you don't have a right to block my Twitch viewing. Well, I told you, the only time I can block your Twitch viewing is when I run a top of the hour ad break, and that's it. Okay, and I ran one already, so I'm not running it. And as a sovereign citizen, you can just fucking subscribe. So
Our next story takes us to Clark County District Court in Las Vegas for a kidnapping trial.
Defendant is here. He's in custody.
There's just one problem. The defendant's lawyer is nowhere to be found.
Can you check and see if he's going to join us?
After a 90-minute delay, defense lawyer Joseph Caramango finally arrives in the courtroom.
Judge, I was heading east on Sahara Drive, and I was rear-ended, and my car was undrivable. The person who hit me took off, and
Hit and run.
it was a hit and run, and here I am.
I'm going to tell you, be honest with you, you don't look right this morning. That's why I'm concerned.
Judge, my neck and my back is killing me, but I'm ready to go.
is that a cheat code? Like for drunk driving? There's another congressman right there, boys. Yeah, I got a plastic fork from when I ordered food, and it came with a plastic fork. Not my fault. What do you want me to do? Throw it in the trash instead of using it?
Go forward.
You don't think you need medical attention?
I think I do. I think I do, Your Honor. I may have suffered a concussion, Your Honor.
Because you hit your head?
Because of the whiplash, Your Honor. I've had multiple concussions before.
You've had multiple concussions.
Yes, Your Honor. But I feel like I can go forward.
You know what? Can I just see everybody back in chambers?
Behind closed doors, Caramango meets with the judge and is assessed by a courthouse nurse.
And the record reflects that Mr. Caramango is back in the courtroom. He has been checked out by the nurse. Now, the nurse said you told her you got hit from behind and then you hit a car in front of you. Okay, you left that part out with us.
Yeah, I did, Your Honor.
So you also hit a car? So it was a double hit and run.
I guess.
The judge is becoming increasingly suspicious of Caramango's story, and the prosecuting attorney isn't doing him any favors.
My observations were observing him that there was clearly something wrong with him. I noticed he was slurring his speech. I noticed he seemed unsteady on his feet. And when actually Mr. Caramango came back into the courtroom, he seemed very unsteady on his feet as he walked by and actually ran into our counsel table.
Things only get worse for the defense lawyer when the judge orders him to take a blood alcohol test.
Oh, dude.
I think you're dazed and confused and can't tell a straight story because you're too intoxicated.
I admit that I did have drinks last night, and I lost my grandmother about 2 weeks ago. I've been under a lot of pressure, Your Honor.
Okay.
I'm aware of that.
So if you came to court intoxicated, you have a problem. Do you understand me?
Your Honor, I can represent as an officer of the court. I am not intoxicated.
Okay. So just go ahead and blow. Let's get it over with.
Court has seat, sir.
You want to show me? Okay.
I am stone sober.
No shot.
Mr. Caramango, if I was you, I would just be quiet at this. Okay, for the record, your blood alcohol is a .075.
Even though his blood alcohol
Wait,
content
that's
is
not-
slightly below Nevada's
That's below.
.08 legal limit for driving, the judge has had enough.
I have no desire to ruin your reputation or anything. We'll deal with it. I'll give you an opportunity to get it together. But at this point, I cannot absolutely allow an attorney to proceed.
The judge declares a mistrial, and Joseph Caramango's law license is put on disability inactive status. He's prohibited from practicing law in the state of Nevada and has not petitioned the state Supreme Court for reinstatement.
Wait, why not?
Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam.
Bro, it was under, dude. That was bullshit. Hey, if the glove must fit, you must acquit, dude. If the glove fits, you must acquit. I'm just saying, dude, that was under, bro. I don't know what I said. If it doesn't fit. If it doesn't fit, and it didn't fit.
We're now in the El Paso County Courthouse in El Paso, Texas.
All right.
Let the lawyers have a little bit of, alcohol, bro. What are we? What are we, a fucking church?
The record should reflect.
Just kidding, you can drink in church.
The attorneys for the state, the attorneys for the accused are present in the courtroom.
The man you see here is 41-year-old Daniel Villegas, accused of killing 2 teens in 1993 when he was just 16. At that time, without an attorney or his parents present, Villegas says he was coerced by an El Paso detective into confessing to the murders. Despite recanting the confession hours later, it became a key piece of evidence for the prosecution.
Are present in the courtroom. The court has received a message from the jury indicating that they've reached a verdict.
Villegas has been on trial 3 separate times for this crime and has maintained his innocence throughout.
Let's bring the jury in.
His first trial in 1994 ended.
Okay, this one sucks. Is this gonna be like actually fucking crimes and shit? Wait, what is this one? Pooping? Or not pooping.
In a mistrial due to a hung jury. A 1995 retrial ended.
Should we watch that one? I feel like that's gonna be sad. I'm gonna get into fucking rants about the criminal justice system.
With a conviction for capital murder, and Villegas was sentenced to life in prison. After spending 18 years in prison, that verdict was thrown out in 2013 because of ineffective assistance of counsel. Villegas was released in January of 2014 and has remained out on bond as he awaited a 3rd trial. During that time, he fathered 2 children. Though the prosecution continued to insist on his guilt, there was no DNA, no firearm, and no forensic evidence presented linking Villegas to the shooting.
If the defendant will please stand.
Within moments, he'll find out if he goes home with his family or spends the rest of his life in prison.
In the District Court of El Paso County, Texas, 409th Judicial District, the State of Texas versus Daniel Villegas, number 94 0D09328. Verdict Form B. We, the jury, find the defendant Daniel Villegas not guilty of
For the
fucking
first
nuts.
time since he was 16 years old, 25 years ago, Daniel Villegas is a free man.
Mr. Villegas, you have been under many conditions in this court. You are no longer under any conditions in this court.
Does he get to sue? I hope he fucking sued the shit out of the state, bro.
You are free to leave. Good luck to you, sir.
Now we head to Cleveland, Ohio, to the Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court for the sentencing of convicted serial killer Michael Madison. Madison's been convicted on 3 counts of aggravated murder for the killing and mutilation of 3 young women in Ohio. As part of the hearing, Van Terry, the father of one of Madison's victims, steps up to the podium to make a victim impact statement. Mr. Terry's now just a few feet away from the man who so brutally took the life of his daughter, Sherelda.
Right now, I guess we're supposed to, in our hearts, forgive this clown who's touched our families, taken my child.
He's looking directly at Madison.
I think, you know what my take is on this, dude? It's like the gauntlet. You should be able to get like one punch, okay? As hard as you can, directly in the face. His hands are fucking cuffed behind his back. Okay? The immediate chosen family member of the victim gets to punch you one fucking time. Okay, in the face. Like you could kill someone by punching them super hard in the face. It's restorative justice. Think about it. Restorative justice. That's how it works. The fucking criminal has to work with the family of. I'm not even kidding. The punch thing is a joke, but the other part is real. Like the perpetrator, often under like restorative justice principles, like has to work with the family of the victims. So one thing you should be able to do as a part of that, if families are willing and able to do that, the entry point to that process is by just punching them once in the face.
All right, whoever's in the red hat, you're excused. The red hat must leave.
Van Terry is released without charges. A short time later, County Judge Nancy McDonnell hands down Madison's sentence. Michael Madison is sentenced to death and will now live on Ohio's death row. We start things off at the Russell and Wayne Counties Family Court in Kentucky for a hearing on a domestic violence order filed by a husband against his ex-wife.
Okay, see, my idea was better. My idea literally was better. Obviously, he has to serve time in prison. And then afterwards, after he serves time in prison, once he's like eligible for rehabilitation, he gets to be punched in the face by a person, okay? He gets to be punched in the face by one of the fucking victims, family members, immediate family members. They can't, like, unless you fucked with, Mike Tyson's daughter or some shit, you're not gonna die. Okay? And then that punch unlocks restorative justice. Okay, like you then have to work with the victim's family. This way, because like so in certain instances, like the victim's family doesn't want the killer or the murderer to be anywhere near them. But this way, you're kind of giving them an incentive too. This way you're like, hey, listen, you get to punch him in the face really fucking hard and you could even kill him. So if you say yes to this, then you have to work with him on, a pathway to redemption. Some families will say no, but families that really want to punch this fucking, this demon in the mouth they're going to say yes. Pathway to rehabilitation, folks. Complicated path. It's not easy. You get to train too. I forgot to mention. You can train for like 6 months as a lead up to the punch. Chat split on my take. Yeah, because it's like perfect. It's got an element of it's got an element of vengeance in it, which is draconian, it's inhumane. Okay, but then also I salvage it by saying it's the first step towards restorative justice principles, which would be like hands-on, making the victim's family or asking the victim's family to work with the person in an effort to allow him to redeem himself, which is a foundational principle of restorative justice policies, and is one of the most effective methods of rehabilitating people. But a lot of people are like, nah, I want to do vengeance. So you're giving them an opportunity to even at least try their hand in vengeance, okay? And then afterwards, after they try their hand in vengeance and fail to kill the guy with a punch, they have to work with him to rehabilitate him. Make it a slap, like a really hard slap? No, a slap doesn't do the same. You need to be able to at least concuss the person. If this guy mutilated this man's daughter before murdering him, he should be able to at least punch him. None of that fucking open hand slap shit, okay? He gets a punch, for sure. You're crazy. Like, open hand slaps are brutal, sure, but you can't really concuss someone with an open hand slap. It's way harder. Whereas your knuckles are stronger, I think. Unless you're Biscuit Oliver. Yeah, that's true.
You and the respondent were married in the past and have children in common, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were the statements you made in your petition true and correct at that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you willing to make those statements part of your sworn testimony here today?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you asking the court to enter an order restraining the respondent from any contact with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
I've taken your statements in your petition as part of your testimony, but I need you to tell me briefly, in your own words, what happened to cause you to ask for a domestic violence order.
Yes, Your Honor. Things have been escalating, I guess, since the first of the year. And Melissa's
No
had a
glove,
couple
no glove.
W's and a couple arrests. And she got out of jail in, I guess, April. And she started, we hadn't really had anything personal up until that point. She got out of jail in April. And she started.
My personal life is not your business, John. It has nothing to do with
Miss
you or the
Hardwick,
boys. No.
you will be held in contempt of this court if you become disruptive.
I don't care. I haven't done anything to this court. I haven't done anything to him.
She will be
It
arrested
doesn't
for
make
contempt
any-
of the
It
court.
doesn't make any difference.
You will serve 10 days for contempt of court. You go now.
Stand up, bitch. I mean,
Hands behind your back.
bitch, wait and see. You.
Shut your girl straight shut.
Get my bracelet off the
Shut
floor.
your mouth.
Get it.
After spending nearly 5 months in jail, Melissa Hardwick pleads guilty to intimidating a participant in a legal process. She avoids any further jail time by agreeing to a court-ordered diversion or rehabilitation program for 5 years.
The emergency protective order will remain in place of no contact.
It's kind of wild. She didn't even fucking flinch, by the way. She like kind of took that. That was bold. Like that was a full, we gotta run it back, dude. That was a full body lunge, dude. I've never seen some shit like this.
Serve 10 days for contempt of court. Go now.
That was fucking, you know, that was kind of wild. She did flinch, but like not that much. Like, dude, come on, bro. You're saying she did flinch, but like
Doesn't make any difference.
You will serve 10 days for contempt of court. Go now.
like she fucking pushed her wheelie chair back a little bit. But that was like, you know, yeah, tactical retreat. Like that's pretty fucking, that's boss, dude. That's a boss man move right there. Boss lady.
No contact.
Back on the record, Mr. McCarty, President. He's under oath from the start of the trial.
No, I'm not. I'm not under oath.
All right, raise your right hand. I'm going to swear you in.
I'm not under oath.
Raise your right hand, please.
That's your bad finger. I didn't appreciate that.
So you're going to threaten me like you did the other day?
You solemnly swear or
Threaten you to participate here.
No, you threatened my life the other day. I am not under oath. This is being done unconstitutionally. Y'all took my kids unrightfully. You want to allow my witnesses here. You want to allow my paperwork. Y'all took all my court paperwork.
We haven't started the trial yet.
It doesn't matter. You still deny it. You want to take my kids from me and act like that? You and that bitch. You and the bitch that took my kids.
Holly, make sure you take down what I say. He was sworn in.
No, I was not sworn in.
Yes.
I've never been sworn in this court. Bring the camera back. He's making this up.
Okay, this dude should go to jail just for that tattoo alone. Okay. Straight up.
So that being said, number one, I need to know whether or not you want to be here during the trial process.
No.
All right. Do you want to testify though?
No, I don't. This is all being done unconstitutionally, unrightfully.
Do you want to be in the room or not?
Do you want to?
I'd prefer not to.
Well, you got a mouth for it.
No, do you want to be here or not?
Oh shit.
Wants to sit here while you take their kids. This is a conflict of interest. Every right, Joe.
Bro, this is the most normal Alex Jones fan, by the way. Another victim of divorce court, brother.
I supposedly have you violated. Can I get some water, please? I got a lot more cussing to do. I need to wet mouth.
Do you want to be here when the jury's here?
What the do you think?
I don't know. I need you to answer.
Next, we head to the S. James Foxman Justice Center in Daytona Beach, Florida.
So you got a wet mouth.
All right, Miss Cook, come on up.
The woman being sworn in is 18-year-old Keandria Cook. Cook's
How is it ethical to laugh at this, bro? I don't get it. What? Fuck do you mean? How is it ethical to laugh at this, bro? You don't have to fucking look for the ethics of every single thing that you laugh at, brother, okay?
in court today to receive a sentence for using a dating app to set up a robbery.
It's official, dude. Dima. It's official. Dima is the most leftist person in here, okay? Whenever I see something that people are laughing at, I think to myself, is this ethical? That is actually the most leftist thing you can do, okay?
That ended with another teen being shot. The teen survived. Cook has accepted a plea deal that will drop a conspiracy charge, which carried a maximum penalty of life in prison. But counts of carjacking, attempted carjacking with a deadly weapon, and felony battery are still in play.
All right, come on up, Miss Cook. You get to say the final words.
just want to say that I'm sorry to the people wrong that her son had to get shot because I didn't even know he was going to get shot. My boyfriend and his friends get threatened me to do this. I didn't even know what was going on until I was at the wrong place at the wrong time. I just want to say I asked them for forgiveness for much as I get a chance so I can get out and finish school and I can put my mama proud because I'm going to be her first child to bring home a high school diploma.
See, this one's not funny, okay?
Cook now prepares to hear her sentence as her loved ones look on.
See, this would be unethical to laugh at, chatter.
A couple of things going in your favor. One, you didn't hold a firearm during these episodes. The second is that the victim luckily survived. That being said, this was intentional. There was an orchestrated ambush, and you are a main part of that. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and adjudicate you guilty of all 3 charges, sentence you to 20 years in state prison.
That's so...
Concurrent as to the first 2 counts.
The crying you hear is coming from Cook's mother. The sentence much more severe than they expected.
Charges. All fines and costs.
Okay, this one's fucked up.
It turns out that Cook and her mother's reactions were so intense because they believed the plea deal meant no prison time. Judge Foxman allows her to enter a new plea deal, citing miscommunication between Cook and the assistant public defender. As a result of that new deal,
I think you got good in you, and I think you got potential. Don't lose sight of that.
Cook's sentence is reduced to 11 years in prison.
Oh, nice, dude. Great.
Charges assault and resisting. You have the
where public defender Andrew Weinstock and his client are appearing before Judge John Murphy, whose voice you hear.
Public defender, what do you want to do?
Wow, dude, our fucking criminal justice system is so fair, dude. It's crazy. Wow, incredible, dude. That's nice. It's just 11. Collar now 0 days in prison. Yes, that's true. I mean, this is like, we don't know the details of that other case. It could have been premeditated murder, you know what I mean? It seems like it was, even though she was like, might have been an unwilling participant or a participant or not. Maybe she was a part of it. It's wild to just like hit her with 11 fucking years for carjacking though.
But they filed?
The person did not die. Yeah, I mean, it was a carjacking that had a shooting. The carjacking that turned into a shooting.
They have.
I'm not waiving.
All right. What do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I'm not waiving. If you want to set it for trial, set it for trial.
Judge Murphy wants the defendant to waive his right to a speedy trial because the court's schedule's backed up. Weinstock isn't budging, and tensions are mounting.
If I had a rock, I would throw it at you right now.
You know,
Stop pissing me off. Just sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No,
sit
you know
down.
what? I'm the public defender. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to stand and represent
sit
my
down.
clients.
If you want to fight, let's go out back, and I'll just beat your ass.
They both.
What the fuck? Yo, that's pretty fucking. That's dope, dude. I want my fucking public defender, you know, God forbid in a situation like that. I want a fucking public defender to go throw some fucking hands with a judge. Dude, fuck that judge up. You know, it's the gauntlet, boys. It's alive. The dream is alive. The gauntlet dream. It's alive.
Head to the hallway behind the courtroom, just out of the view of the court's cameras. Believe it or not, they get into a physical altercation until Judge Murphy returns to the courtroom.
No, he won.
Thank you.
No!
I will catch my breath eventually. Man, I'm an old man.
Once Judge Murphy catches his breath, he continues with the rest of the hearings without Weinstock present.
Your choices, considering there's probably going to be a changeover in personnel, are setting it for trial June 9th, or if you were wanting to waive speedy...
Wait, what the fuck? Considering there's a change in personnel, did he kill him? Not the outcome you wish for? No, it's not the outcome I wish for. I wish the judge would get his fucking ass beat by the public defender, bro. Public defenders are like... Bro, that's pro bono. He's doing fucking pro bono work, you dumb motherfuckers. Why would you side with the fucking judge in that situation? Hey, listen, the gauntlet goes both ways, boys. I mean, technically, he did win, though. It's not pro bono, but it's very low pay. Okay, well, I mean, it's free for the fucking client, though, isn't it? I thought it was free for the client. I mean, it's super cheap. It's like super low pay, and it's free for the client.
We would set it for July 15th.
I would like to get it done as fast as possible.
That doesn't help me.
The incident's investigated by the Florida Judicial Qualifications Commission, who charged Judge John Murphy with threatening to commit violence against an assistant public defender, engaging in a physical altercation with counsel, and resuming his docket while defendants were without counsel. The case eventually reaches the Florida Supreme Court, which orders the immediate suspension and permanent removal of Judge Murphy from his post.
Get fucked. Dude, the thing I love about the law that like doesn't make sense from a normal brain standpoint, but makes sense from a law standpoint, is when you add additional charges. Like in this situation, one of the charges is like threatening. Well, okay, well, he whooped his ass, bro. It's not just threatening the public defender. He also whooped his fucking ass. You know what I mean? And they stack it so it's like it's such a minor offense with respect to like what else is going on. Because he followed through with the threat, bro. At that point, the threat's not the problem. Like it wasn't even a threat, dude. It was a promise. You know what I mean? But hey, always remember, chat. 2 L's make a W. Okay? 2 L's make a W. When you put them fucking side by side, you tilt them a little bit. And that's precisely what this public defender got.
We're at the Lewis County Courthouse in Chehalis, Washington, in the courtroom of Judge R.W. Buzzard, who's just finished some business with the 4 defendants to the right. This is Tanner Jacobson, who's charged with reckless driving and driving with a suspended license. This is Cody Howard, who's charged with 2nd-degree burglary, 1st-degree trafficking in stolen property, 3rd-degree driving with a suspended license, and 2 warrants for failing to appear in court.
I'm just saying, turn one of the L's around in front of the other one, and then tilt it a little bit, and you make a W.
Neither of them feel like sticking around. Judge Buzzard springs into action, and it's on. Keep in mind the 2 escapees are in handcuffs and prison-issue sandals. A witness points the judge in the right direction, as does this bright orange clue here. They've made it to the 3rd floor stairwell.
No shot. It's the judge chasing them? Bro, what kind of psycho shit is this, dude? What the... Yo, what's happening with these judges, dude? Yo, there's some fucking crazy judges in America, huh? I thought the craziest shit judges did was just like drop the fucking charges on like you know, like a misdemeanor carry under the age of 17 by being a fucking piece of shit or not allowing you to fucking use evidence, when the guy who killed 2 people 15 days prior literally said he would kill people with an AR-15, you know, stuff like that. Turns out they just fucking run outside the courtroom.
And now to the second, just 1 floor away from freedom. But Judge Buzzard is gaining some ground, especially on the one who lost his sandal. The judge tackles the lagging defendant just outside the exit to the building. 2 deputies.
Bro, look at these fucking hot dog motherfuckers, dude. Look at these fucking bailiffs, dude. They're walking. They're fucking walking, dude.
These catch up moments later and bring him back to a cell. The other defendants picked up just a few blocks away. Both have second-degree escape added to their charges. What were these 2 thinking? Glad you asked.
We were sitting there on the benches together and he's like, I'm gonna run.
I said, what am I doing? What did I just do? I gotta go with it now. There's nothing, I can't stop right here. There's nothing I can do now. I'm screwed.
I only get like 4 blocks and then I stopped. Like I just stopped on my own. I'm like, what am I doing right now? It was just a split second like decision. I don't even know why I did it. Like I would be out of here if I wouldn't have ran.
I didn't try to escape to get out. I tried to escape to get well, and I tried to do what I could, do what I could do to get my drug addiction.
We head now to Jackson, Michigan, to the 4th Circuit Court. A personal protection violation hearing is on against this man, Jacob Larson. The defendant's accused of sending unwanted advances through Facebook messages to this woman seated here, a former high school acquaintance. This incident's a violation of a restraining order against Jacob.
All those messages were like, a lot of them were like last year. Let me ask, how many of them were like after her? How many of them?
Wait, what the fuck? You can do that?
Were after the day of the PPO. 22. I don't post on that much. What's that? I don't post on that much.
This is the second time the judge has questioned the defendant about his contact with the plaintiff. In fact, the same judge had issued the defendant's original PPO 4 months earlier.
Yeah, I know, but it's like this fatal attraction kind of stuff that I warned you about last time. I told you to just leave her alone. She was a classmate of yours. She apparently has no interest in seeing
I want her to tell me to leave her alone.
You know what? I told you to leave her alone. And apparently that didn't get through loud and clear. So today, you're going to jail for 3 days. And the next time you violate it, you're going to jail for...
You and her are all...
Hey, you know what? You got a bad attitude. You had a bad attitude last time you were in court. Okay?
You and her are buddy-buddy. Y'all get along. Y'all are...
45 days county jail. 93 days in the county jail. You want to go for a year? Try it right now. One more word out of you, it'll be a year of county.
Over Facebook.
Over violations of my PPO and your conduct in the courtroom. 93 days in count.
Base judge, base judge, base judge. That's kind of crazy that like that guy literally thinks he can't see any. Yeah, every single person that's saying nice power abuse is literally a creepy, pathetic fucking loser that probably has harassed female content creators on the internet in a similar capacity and are now recognizing that they could actually face some sort of criminal punishment for it. And that's precisely why they're saying shit like that. I'm sorry, dude. That is no different than fucking stalking someone. There should be a criminal charge for it. If you did it in the physical space, you literally fucking go to jail. This is one of the very unique instances where that person is actually going to fucking jail before he did some shit. Okay? Most of these cases are very hard to fucking prosecute. Most of these cases are very hard to actually like you know, build a restraining order that is like followed through on. Literally talk to cops about this. They will tell you. In a lot of instances, it's like domestic abuse too. Like there's so much, it gets so much worse, and then the person is victimized, and only after that you go to fucking jail. He isn't punishing him for that. I know he's not punishing him for that. I'm saying that it's actually pretty unique that this case got to this situation, like got to a courtroom, and in the courtroom he's not behaving in the way that he's supposed to be. So now he's getting fucking actual punishments tacked onto it. It's the easiest thing for him to do. Don't fucking stalk someone. Don't cyber stalk and harass someone on the internet over and over again. Straight up. Bro, in the American criminal justice system, there was a sexual assault case. Okay? There was a sexual assault case like that literally just concluded where the dude didn't even fucking serve a single day in prison. What the fuck are you guys talking about? We are horrible, absolutely horrible at treating these sorts of instances. And then it's even worse overall because this is being done over the internet, and all the judges are like fucking 70 years old. So they think, oh, what do you mean? Like, how can you be victimized over the internet? Like, I don't get it. Massive rape kit backlogs. Exactly, dude. Women die to this shit all the goddamn time. It's fucking bullshit. No, I don't think they said he had 22 pros. Do you believe in rehabilitation and restorative justice for sex offenders? I do. I believe in rehabilitation and restorative justice for fucking internet stalkers too. 100%. I don't want them to do this. I just don't want them to... I don't want him to do this. I want him to stop doing this and get help and get better. But the unfortunate reality is sometimes they can't stop themselves, so they need to fucking go away for a little bit. Get the proper help that they need. Okay? That's just the unfortunate reality. It's like the top of the hour ad break. You might not want it, but it still comes. At the top of every hour, that is, of course. Now, of course, if you no longer want to see those ads when the top of the hour ad break is coming, well, restorative justice says you can subscribe. You can subscribe for $5, or you can subscribe for free with a Twitch Prime. If you have a Twitch Prime, you can use that here. It's a free subscription for you. You can also, you know, use other methods. You can wait for a fucking gifty boy to come in the chat. That's not a guarantee. But what is a guarantee is Twitch Prime is free. So here's a woman ad break now.
The judge, clearly agitated by the defiant defendant, is sending him to jail.
I ain't never threatened.
Stand up. Come.
Thank you, No Time for Z's for the 5 gifted subs, and Tommy Mana for the 5 gifted subs. 10 people now will no longer see the ads. Hopefully they're not fucking gray names.
Stand up.
Yeah, buddy.
Stand up.
You're going to jail for a year in the county. 365 days county jail.
Can't do it.
Appeal it. I will. Good.
Put your hands behind your back now.
Tell me to leave you alone. Tell me to leave you alone. Tell me right now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tell me to leave you alone. Tell me right now. Like, what the fuck is going on here, dude? What is wrong with this dude? Bro, you are leaving her alone for a year. I bet that motherfucker comes out of jail, and I mean, the system is so fucked that he probably gets off on an appeal if he's rich enough, and he can get some kind of a lawyer. And then boom, he's back at it again with the white vans, you know? He's literally harassing her in the courtroom during a fucking court case about his harassment, dude. You think that motherfucker's gonna stop, bro? No shot. Yeah, I made a damn Daniel joke. Shut up, okay? Sometimes they're not the best. Sometimes I'm not gonna be fucking batting 1,000, okay? Sometimes I do. Sometimes I got jokes for days. Other times it's like a boomer ass fucking joke. Okay, I'm a lame ass. I'm a boomer. You know, I'm a sinner. You know, it's just who I am. Give me a break.
Put your hands behind your back. Tase his ass right now.
The judge now steps in to help subdue the defendant.
We'll make it 93. You can think about it. All right. Go to Facebook. You know her. Well, so I know her. That's not in the community. Get to know you all too much. I'm a good person. That's all right. 93 days. Oh, really?
Larson sentenced to 93 days in county jail.
Can't tell me to leave you alone. Can't tell me to leave you alone.
Stand up and raise your right hand to be sworn, please. Please.
I want to look this fucking dude up. Let's see what happened to this guy. When alleged stalker Jacob Larson started to fight in the courtroom, Judge McBain. Law and disorder. Judge says woman stalked. Wait, what? Judge says woman stalked him for months? Wait, what the fuck? Aggravated judge tosses off robe, joins courtroom scuffle. Tase his ass right now, judge shouted as he rushed. McBrain ordered the man to spend 3 days in jail. A period that fucking quickly jumped to 93 days after Larson continued to aggravate the judge. Okay, so here's what's fucked in the criminal justice system. Cyber stalking someone and violating, getting a fucking pro is really, really hard. Okay, you gotta have a lawyer, you gotta like fucking file all the shit. And then also on top of that, like you have to go to a courtroom half the time, and your stalkers will, in order to get FaceTime with you, the stalkers will, you know, straight up take you to court just so they can sit side by side with you and keep fucking agitating you and irritating you and stuff like that. So you're already putting this person through this like incredible, this person that you're harassing nonstop through this like fucking bullshit. And even then, think about it. Okay? Think about it. 3 fucking days is the original criminal punishment for violating that court order. Okay? 3 days. How fucked is this criminal justice system that like the judge's discretion on how pissed off he is can give you up to 60 times higher of a fucking sentence than you violating a court order? Or not 60, 30 times, sorry. You don't know what side to take? No, I do know what side to take, dumbass. I thought this was a base judge. I mean, dude, I think he's a base judge for applying discretion in the correct way in this incident. Okay? Like that dude clearly is not going to fucking learn his lesson at all. He needs accountability. He needs accountability. He's never going to stop. Even after accountability, he also needs help. He needs mental health treatment. Why are there some pro stalker chatters in here? What the fuck? Weeby, we're on Twitch. What the fuck do you think is going on? Of course there are fucking pro stalker chatters in here. Some of them I'm not talking to you, most likely, okay? So don't think I'm talking to you directly, chatters. But some of you are the reason why I know so much about this shit. Okay? Also, don't even joke about that and be like, oh, that's me. Lol, 5 days. I got 5 days. Like, don't joke about that. Trust me. If you're asking, I wonder if this is about me, then it's not about you, okay? You fucking weirdos. It's not about, I clearly. Anyway, let's keep going.
Please stand up.
Next, we head over to the Miami-Dade Bond Court in Miami, Florida,
The one sleeping there, you can wake up too in the back row.
where Judge Mindy Glazer's overseeing bond hearings.
I have a few announcements. I'm going to appoint the public defender to represent all defendants unless you tell me you have money to pay for a private lawyer or if you are hiring a private lawyer and one is here. Also, please let me know if you have served in the United States military or any of the reserves. Good morning.
Good morning.
Over the next few hours, she'll see dozens of defendants.
You were arrested for second-degree murder.
As they step in,
I'm in the military, Your Honor.
You are?
And quickly step out.
Hi, Mr. Booth. How are you?
How you doing, ma'am? Okay, ma'am.
49-year-old Arthur Booth is a career criminal, charged with burglary, grand theft, fleeing, and resisting arrest.
You have actually 3 arrest affidavits. Reckless driving, damage to property, leaving the scene of a crash with serious injury.
With no serious injury.
I'm sorry, no serious injury.
Okay.
After questioning, Judge Glazer explains the terms of his bond.
The bond on count 1 is $7,500.
But the judge notices something familiar about this defendant.
Okay, Mr. Booth, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go to Nautilus for middle school?
Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
I'm sorry to see you there. I always wondered what happened to you, sir.
Oh, my goodness.
This is the nicest kid in middle school.
Oh, my goodness.
He was the best kid in middle school. I used to play football with him and all the kids, and look what has happened. I'm so sorry.
Oh, my goodness.
The surprise reunion between the 2 former middle school classmates is almost too much for Booth to handle.
Oh, my goodness.
Once a promising student, Booth fell into drug and gambling addictions that led him into a life of petty crime, resulting in multiple stays in prison.
Oh, my goodness.
Good luck to you, sir. I hope you're able to come out of this okay and just lead a lawful life.
The reunion somberly concludes as Glazer sets bail at $43,000.
Okay. All right. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Booth is sent to prison for 10 months and then released into a drug treatment program.
Bro, how are you going to do that to your middle school friend, dude? That's crazy. She's like, I know that you're in this situation because of gambling addiction and drug addiction. Also, $43,000. God damn, bro. Help out. Don't serve him up so fucking hard, dude. She cooked him.
This is the arraignment of 20-year-old Spencer Allen Boston. At a traffic stop 2 months earlier, Boston received citations for speeding and simple possession of marijuana. As he walks up to the podium, Judge Haywood Barry's informed that Boston has a special request.
I spoke with Mr. Boston. He said he wants to represent himself in this case. I told him today was just an arraignment. It's either guilty, not guilty type day. To which he responded, I just want to plead my case to the court. So he didn't want to talk to me after that, so that's why he was...
Start talking, son. Yes, sir. I think it's very unfair, the marijuana law here. I think we the people deserve better because marijuana is a very harmless drug, and it's been around for ages, since the 80s, 90s.
I've heard that baloney all my life, so don't go any further on that.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether it's good or bad. All I know is Tennessee still has it against the law. I swore to uphold the laws, and I have to uphold the laws as a judge. It probably is unfair, but I can't change it.
Dude, what the fuck? Yes, you can, dude. What the fuck's wrong with you? You absolutely can apply leniency. You're a judge. You are literally a judge. It is the only thing you are supposed to do. You are a judge, okay? You are supposed to adjudicate. You're a judge. It's literally, quite literally, the only thing you're supposed to do. What the fuck? Judge him, motherfucker. What's wrong with you? Politicians make the law, not judges. Okay, but guys, as a judge, you can be lenient, okay? You can drop charges. Like the whole point. Way to show your true colors, Hasan. What do you mean? My true colors that I think fucking in bumfuck parts of this goddamn country, people shouldn't be going to fucking jail for minor offenses like being stopped at a traffic stop with marijuana in your pocket. Get the fuck out of here.
You've got to go see the legislature to get that change.
Yes, sir.
And if you get it changed,
Judge Barry quickly returns to the matter at hand.
Now, if you want to plead guilty, you can today. But if you want a trial, we can give you a trial on the officer's date, which it's Officer Vincent.
Officer Vincent?
You want to fix trial date?
Yeah, we can do that.
That'd be fun. Then you make another speech.
As the judge,
in the end, judges being lenient now isn't the problem. The laws are the problem. Wow, dude, thanks. Thanks for coming to the fucking broadcast of a leftist fucking political commentator and explaining that it's actually the system and not the individual. Dude, what the fuck do you mean? I know that, but in this particular instance, like the judge being like, I can't do nothing. It might even be fucked up. It's like, no, you quite literally can. You can absolutely drop those charges. And like make him pay like the court fee or some shit. I don't know.
Works with court employees to schedule a trial date.
May 7th.
Boston decides to take action as he pulls out what appears to be a joint. No one seems to notice until, shockingly, he lights up. And this time it's noticed immediately.
Hey, we the people deserve better.
I love him. I love him, dude. Free this man. Free this man. By the way, this is Caucasian activity. Straight up. See? This is the definition of Caucasian activity. Caucasity, Caucasian activity. You will not, this is like, but free him. Absolutely free him.
May have finally,
this is using your privilege for good, okay? King behavior.
He pleaded his case.
Hey, we the people deserve better.
But he's immediately taken away by the court officer. And Judge Barry gets the final word.
Take him to jail.
Take him to jail.
With a disorderly conduct charge, as well as another.
Okay, fuck that judge. See, he was not a lenient person, okay? He literally added additional charges on top of it. He was never trying to be fucking lenient. Okay, take him to jail. I'm adding disorderly conduct too.
Charge of possession. We're in the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice in Detroit, Michigan.
What now, chatters? Huh? Remember, the judge can't be lenient. There's like sentencing guidelines. Yeah, dude. So it only works one way, right? In America, you can only be fucking more aggressive with your sentencing. You can never be less aggressive. Some of you are so fucking draconian, okay, with the way that you understand the law and how the law is supposed to work that you cannot live outside of that universe where it's like, it has to be fucking, a judge can only be more aggressive. They can't be less aggressive. They can't drop charges. They absolutely can.
For the sentencing of 25-year-old Amanda Casal.
There's a lot of things that you can do, and your life doesn't have to be over because of a poor choice. You just have to accept responsibility for it and find a way to make something positive out of a very negative situation.
Casal has been found guilty of driving under the influence, causing a head-on collision that killed 31-year-old Jerome Zerker and severely injured his fiancée, 31-year-old Brittany Johnson. The couple have 5 children together. Prior
Jesus
to sentencing,
Christ.
the court will hear a powerful impact statement from the victim's children, read by his sister, Doreen Zerker.
Amanda, look what you did to my life. You ruined everything I had, like my dad's life.
Amanda seems devastated by Doreen's words. But Judge Kiana Lillard apparently hears some snickering from Casal's family sitting in the gallery.
You can go too. Whoever can sit here at a tragic moment like this and laugh and smile when somebody has lost a family member, this is a court of law. You cannot come down to the Frank Murphy Hall of Justice and act any way you want to act.
That's the defendant's mother, Donna Casal.
Because if you don't know how to act, you can go to jail. Ma'am, you are being taken into custody for criminal contempt.
Yes! Let's go, dude. Send her off. Send her off. Fuck it. I'm draconian. I take it back. Send her off, dude. Bye-bye. Laughing. Oh, my God. Laughing during a fucking impact statement. I'm sorry. That's racially motivated. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I have guests.
Disruptive and disrespectful behavior disrupted today's proceedings, and you, ma'am, are going to the Wayne County Jail for 93 days for direct criminal contempt. Anybody else want to go? Try it.
As Casal is led to the county jail, Judge Lillard offers a stern reminder about etiquette in the courtroom.
These are very serious matters, and I understand you all are upset because your loved one is going to prison, but guess what? She's going to prison for the choices that she made.
After orders restored, Amanda Casal is sentenced.
It'll be the sentence of this court that you will serve 3 to 15 years in the Michigan Department of Corrections. If there's nothing further, that concludes this matter.
Casal only serves 3 years and is then paroled in February 2020. As for Amanda's mother, Donna, she spends the night in jail and appears before Judge Lillard the next morning. Donna seems to have learned a serious lesson from just one night behind bars.
Thank you. Yeah, okay, let's fix the microphone real quick. Let's lower the noise gate. All right, so we're gonna go to dinner in a little bit. So I decided, yeah. What the fuck? Oh, that's my ring door. So before we go to dinner, I thought we could, dude, you are the most punctual. Dude, you were literally here 10 minutes early. I said 5:30. You were like, no, 5:20 it is. What the fuck?
We were late. I mean, I was telling you about my punctuality, and
it's crazy.
Oh, here, hold up.
Oh, I can't even.
Hold on, I'm gonna move this back.
Alex just said we're going on a date.
Yeah.
And we pulled up here.
What? Oh, he lied to you?
No, I didn't lie.
Oh, he was like, hey, we're going on a date. We're gonna go hang out with my friend Hasan.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a cool day for you guys. Okay, so I couldn't get enough smoke from fucking destroying Pokimane and Tubbo yesterday, so I thought, I need new victims. We have TSM Mythological coming soon too. Okay. We're all gonna go to dinner. Like a bunch of us are about to go to dinner tonight. And before that, I was like, yo, pull up, get the smoke, catch these hands. I don't know where the fuck Myth is. We'll look at this first though. We were watching have you ever seen Court Cam?
No.
It's the greatest.
Sounds dramatic.
It is fucking so dramatic. Yeah. Well, it's most dramatic moments of all time. This is what it. Oh, by the way, for those of you who don't know, BBNO Money and Haley. Okay.
TSM Haley right here.
TSM Haley.
About to be.
What do you do, Haley?
I create content.
Okay. That's cool.
No, not really. I run a perfume company and create Alex's content.
Yeah, she helps out a lot.
Oh, hell yeah. That's dope. Okay. All right. Well, are you good? Are you good at Mario Kart?
I don't know. I'm not good at this one.
Oh, good. Okay,
Alex
perfect.
Smoked you guys last time. So.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, he had to come back.
I must have
I was
Definitely
like,
had a
oh,
comeback.
Yeah, you probably
this is too
didn't
sad,
see
I
that
turned it
part.
off.
Yeah, you probably didn't see that part, but I actually did have a comeback, so.
And then that kung fu game is crazy.
Yeah, not a
That
big deal.
one looked fun.
Yeah.
But if it's Mario Party, I might.
Yeah, wait, let me see where the fuck Myth is. He's probably on
He's
time.
probably on time.
Or probably not. We'll see. He is very punctual too.
Well, I thought you said 5, and then you also said 5:30 in a text afterwards. I was like, I don't really
Yeah, it's
know
my
what
fault.
that means, but
It's
I'm
my
just-
fault.
You're good.
Mario Party, no. Okay, first of all, yeah, we could do Mario Party as well. But
I'm
that's
down for Mario
like
Party.
I can do either.
Sounds like a longer
Mario
grind.
Party takes.
Mario Party is the worst thing that has ever been invented by Nintendo, and I'm very critical of Nintendo in general because they're like, very afraid-phobic.
You think Mario Party's the worst?
It's like it makes me very angry.
Yeah, it's
RNG.
That's why. Okay.
It's all
Yeah, it is
RNG. It's
RNG.
like, wait, can I see those glasses? Those look sick.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them on. Is that okay?
Of course.
Okay. That's what. Yeah. Well, you're a guest in my house, so you have to give it to me. No,
Damn.
these are sick, dude. You guys are both styling.
Enter the universe, dude. It's the metaverse, bro.
They actually probably will help Mario Kart skills.
The NFT glasses,
I
man.
hope. The NFT.
These are fire. Thank you. Okay. Lennon looking ass guest. What do you mean? Oh, you do kind of look like Lennon. Holy shit. Wait.
Me or Alex?
No, not you.
I'm like,
No, you kind of do look like Vladimir Ilyich Lenin.
Whoa. I kind of do. I mean, I look a little bit more like Johnny Depp, I feel, than this guy, but
You can't do
You
that.
wish.
Okay, first of all,
You're like,
you're
yeah, I look a little
not.
bit
You
more
literally are not. No,
the
no one is
hottest
allowed to
guy
do
in the
that.
world.
Yeah. Wait, do you think Johnny Depp's the hottest guy in the world?
damn,
No,
damn, I'm
no.
just getting curved over
Wait,
here.
yeah, not Alex. What the fuck?
Yeah, man.
It's messed up. I think he's the hottest guy in the world.
Yeah.
do you?
Yeah.
Oh, there was
should
a
just
movie.
I'll take him.
Boyfriend,
I'll
and
take
you
him
can
off your
just-
hands.
You can have that date tonight.
Yeah. Please, BBNO money, create the Vanguard party. Dude, you look like, you could be like young Lennon. Is there any young photos of Lennon, chat?
I'm a Len dog, dude.
Yeah, young Lennon and young Stalin.
Good communism song.
The guy who smoked weed in court has unfortunately passed. Oh, that's crazy. That sucks. Wait, we'll go back to that in a second. We were watching. Do you know what sovereign citizens are? So, because you're fucking Canadian. You guys don't have these people.
No.
Yeah. Are you Canadian too?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think I'm.
You guys live together in Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We live together.
Are you guys illegally here? I'm reporting
Yes.
you. I'm
Yeah.
reporting you to ICE
We
right
No, I
now.
actually got her on my visa. So we are legally allowed to be here.
I was kidding. I'm like, okay, he's gonna be here in like 20 minutes, so he is late. So we definitely do. Okay, Alberta is different. Okay, that doesn't count. So we have this thing in America where we have libertarians, right? And you guys have them. They're called Albertans. Okay, so just like imagine the most conservative guy from Alberta. Like that guy's a liberal in America, obviously. So then multiply that by like 12 and you get to like libertarians. They love doing something called like First Amendment audits, for example, where they'll go up to cops and be like, I'm filming you, I'm doing a First Amendment audit, like and shit like that. No, it's the Quebecois Tabernacle. No, that's not true. The Quebec No, Quebecois are fucking annoying and they constantly cry about like francophone oppression and shit like that. But having said that, they're like weirdly progressive when it comes to like economic policies. They're just like really racist. That's it. That's not that that's not important. Obviously it is, but I'm talking about libertarians who are like, just bootlickers of the government too. I mean, bootlickers of like deregulation and shit. I love Hasan's garbage takes, absolutely adorable. No one gets mad at me like Quebecers. I think I've lost like probably 1,000 people from Quebec that have been like long-term community members for saying that people from Quebec are racist because they're French.
My sister went to school up there and she was just like, as soon as you leave Montreal, if you don't speak French, you just get hated on, and it's just awful.
Yeah.
Even if you try to speak
Yeah, even if you try to speak
my
French,
French
they
is
just don't
so
fuck with you.
ass.
Like,
I try to say something and they're like,
Yeah.
"You're not from here."
my sister's husband is also like real French, and
Anglophones doing francophone oppression right now. There it is. You're canceled, dude. You can't go back to Canada now.
I can't, dude.
It's over.
GG. Game
Gotta
over,
stay in
dude.
America now.
Yeah, I guess I'm going full American, dude.
This is who he looks like. You guys say I look like this. Now you're saying he looks like this.
We kind of both look like this.
I mean, I guess, yeah. I feel like the Quebecois are constantly like an inch away from freaking out at all times. It's true. So anyway, true as a rule of Quebecois is seen as a fiscal evasion thing here. What? Anyway, so sovereign citizens are like they're like libertarians that like
told
go.
you he's an Article 4 free inhabitant, so he does not have to have a license. This is on recording. Article 4.
They literally they would like violate the law in like the most annoying like rule knowing way possible, and then they'll just annoy you with like, I'm a sovereign citizen, you know, I can't be under the American like criminal court jurisdiction, shit like that.
They sound fun.
Yeah.
A free inhabitant pursuant to the Articles of Confederation, you can.
It's like.
Wait, what?
I don't know.
It's not really like Kartnark, but Kartnark is this.
Oh, Kartnark! Yeah. We should watch Kartnark.
That shit is so funny, dude. I mean, it's like it's more like political, but Kartnark is hilarious.
Yeah. It's like Kartnark for sure. But like Kartnark is like doing something that's like kind of overall a good thing. He's just doing it in a very annoying way.
Yeah.
These guys are not doing a good thing. They're like, they're usually just annoying.
Look it up. It's in the United States Book of Codes. It is your laws you have to follow.
Lazy bones. Kartnark.
Want to watch back here?
Article 4, free inhabitant pursuant to the Articles of Confederation.
The camera down for me. Is that if it records, that's fine. But I don't want you holding anything.
No weapons. No weapons. All right.
So the thing is, like, I hate cops. Okay? So this is the one time where I'm conflicted. You know what I mean? Because, like, cops usually, in a lot of instances, they suck. They abuse their power. They're fucking terrible. But sovereign citizens are so fucking annoying that when I see, like, a cop behave in a cop way, as a cop does, I'm like, I kind of celebrate it for the first time. You know what I mean? This is the one time where I'm like, yeah, okay. It's because, it's because most of them are wannabe cops. So that's like worse than being a cop in that situation.
Okay, so what I'm going to ask you to do is the same thing.
I get out of the car?
Yes.
No, I'm not getting out of the car.
All
You
right.
can go get your superior.
Well, I am going to tow this car, and you cannot be in the vehicle while I'm towing this vehicle.
Well, if you go get your superior,
That's not
he'll
gonna happen right
clarify
now.
that he can be set free because he does not
That's
have
not
to have
going
a
to
license.
happen right now, young lady. So either you're going to come out of the car on your own free will, or I'm going to assist you.
I'm gonna get out of the car and walk down to that house.
No, you are not free to leave right now.
Are you saying you have authority over me?
Yes, I do.
You have proven authority over me.
Yes, I do.
How did you do that?
The County of Imperial through the sheriff.
How you doing?
He's just like, it always feels like they think that the cheat code is if like they make up a law, like the cops have to let them go in their you know, when they're hit in the face with confusion. They're like, oh, you stunned me. What? And then they just have to let him go.
I'm good, officer. How are you?
Good. Need to see your license and insurance, please.
Can I get your name and badge number for the record,
It's
please?
Lieutenant Cochran with Powder Springs Police Department.
First name, Lieutenant?
Lieutenant Cochran.
What's your first name, Lieutenant?
It's irrelevant. I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
If your name is irrelevant, so is mine, officer.
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Are you conducting an investigation?
Yes, sir, I am. I have you for speeding, 72 and a 55.
Is
So I
speed-
need to see your
is
driver's
speeding a
license.
crime?
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
I need to see
helicopter.
your license and proof of insurance, sir.
Can you prove that I'm driving?
Sir, I need to see your license and proof of insurance.
Am I driving?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm not. I'm traveling. I am going to...
Oh, he did it! This is a sovereign citizen trope. I'm not driving. I'm traveling. Like I'm not an individual. I'm a person. Like they think that these are like cheat codes. There was one guy who was like, Yeah, actually, you know, my real name is not the name that my government gave me, and it's actually his real name. But you know, the government, when they write his name on his armband, they wrote it in all caps, and he says like, you know, there's lowercase letters. It's not in capital letters, so it's technically different. Like it's a fucking you know, like it's case sensitive.
What's the difference
Continue
between
to
driving and
film.
traveling? Like, is there anything
Nothing.
legally, or is it
No, there's not a thing. No, he's just like no. That's why I'm saying it's like hilarious. They just want to be like semantics arguers. They think that if they defeat this person in the marketplace of ideas in the debate, that they're like gonna let them go.
It's not a crime for me to travel without a license.
And proof of insurance, sir.
What you may have.
I'm giving you a lawful order.
What you may have.
Obey it, or I'm gonna
What
take
you may
to
have. What you may have is the opportunity to read. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh, he breaks the. Oh, I've seen this.
Damn.
I've seen this, and that's why you can't be a sovereign citizen while black, dude. That's right. You don't often see black sovereign citizens for this literal reason. Okay. Also,
I can imagine.
Also, this is the most athletic cop I've ever seen in my entire life, dude. We've seen this one before.
Yeah, it's
Said, let me break this glass with my hands. I don't care.
What you may have.
fucking ridiculous, man.
What you may have. What you may have.
Bro, it's because he's got racism powers, and like it's the racism buff, dude. They need to nerf that shit. He's just like he broke it with his bare hands.
What you may have
like
is the opportunity to read.
About the Rittenhouse
whoa, whoa, whoa!
I've never seen that before. Like I didn't even know you could do that.
Like, there's so many other ways you could have done
You could just
that.
open the door. I mean,
But he took both hands and pulled it.
And he like does it. He's not even phased after that. He's like, Psh, "What's up, bitch?"
I meant to do that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Voldemort.
This is assault. This is assault. You've broken my windows. I do not consent. I do not consent. Oh, this is police brutality.
I'm fixing
Stop.
to face
This is police brutality.
I'm fixing
I
to
haven't
face
done anything. Ah!
See, this is what I mean. You can't be. This is precisely why you cannot be a sovereign. This is precisely why like 98% of sovereign citizens are white. Okay, because like a big part of being a sovereign citizen is you gotta like annoy cops all the time. And if you're black and you annoy cops, they're gonna fucking kill you. Yeah. Like they do it all the time. So, you know, that's what he's doing here.
Well, I mean, this video got posted. Did other cop get pressed?
You do not have authority.
Or I guess probably not, hey?
He said, did the cop get pressed for police brutality? That's the most Canadian thing I've ever heard, dude. What do you mean? They probably promoted him, dude. They were like, good going, Lieutenant Cock. That's Police Chief Cock to you now. He was like, put your badge down.
Get the cocks in the chat.
No, I'm getting
like,
the
why
cock,
was everyone
dude.
saying cock
Oh,
in the chat?
man.
Cock.
Yeah, he was like, put your badge down and your gun and your service pistol.
Like, did
You're
you
going to
apologize?
Congress.
Did he say sorry?
Sorry?
Yeah.
You take him out on his boot.
Yeah, don't fuck with cops, dude. That's awesome that you thought like he would ever see any charges for that.
Over a human being, over a free inhabitant.
Do you want to argue?
Like, you know they kill people, right? Like regularly, and then don't face any punishments for it here in America.
Yeah.
Where'd you find this guy? Canada. That's where I found him.
Point.
You need to go look up your
I don't
laws.
have to look at anything right now. What I need to do is get you out of the vehicle. If you have identification, please hand the identification over to me.
No.
Identify yourself to me.
And I'm not going to step out of the vehicle.
All right. Well, you know, you are impeding my investigation. You are delaying me, which is a penal code violation in the state of California.
That law only applies.
Oh shit! He hit him with the reverse Uno. He's like, I'm a sovereign citizen too. I'm a bit of a sovereign citizen myself, actually. I fancy knowing like weird penal codes. Oh no, he's a debate lord. This is what the sovereign citizen fears. Is a libertarian cop.
Yeah.
You might think it's oxymoronic, considering that, you know, libertarians are against state violence and police are the jackbooted thugs of the state. You know, they have a monopoly on state violence. No, there are a lot of libertarian cops in America. And what? God damn. Okay, Chris is being loud as hell, dude. I'm gonna close that door real quick. Yeah, he's getting owned now.
Well,
I'll be back.
where are you a citizen of?
I am not a U.S. citizen.
Well, see, that's
I
where
am
you're
a free
mistaken.
inhabitant. I am of the
where-
earth. I do not belong to any corporation. I do not belong to any country.
Yeah, but as
no.
long as you're in the sovereign states of the United States, you will abide by the rules
No.
and laws.
The voice.
See,
and you have
a
certain
free,
Ladies and gentlemen,
no, a
what do you guys think about the
inhabitant
voice?
is
I'm of
they
the
are
earth.
allowed to. They're free
I am
people.
rock.
They have all of the
I
rights
have been born
of
from
a U.S.
Earth
citizen
plant.
without following any
I
of
am
their
children
laws.
of the
Well,
earth.
just be pure
I
animals.
am Mother Earth.
No, because
El
we're peaceful
voice.
people.
El
We're
voice.
peaceful people. You go call them up and ask them, and they'll tell you exactly what I'm talking
Well,
about.
I don't know who to call.
Your superior.
Well, I am a superior
Yeah,
to
I pull
a
up,
certain
like
extent.
law enforcement, I pull up clown.
Well, it's going to take
Clown.
a couple hours or so for somebody to come down.
No.
That's not going to
It was
happen
just
right
like if
now.
I was in law enforcement, I'd just pull up,
Some other way.
like catch them
We
speeding.
just
be
need
like,
to. You need to call in, tell them I'm a free
El
inhabitant,
Clown.
find out what that
I
is.
am going to tow this vehicle, young lady, so you can.
Oh, you hand him L's?
Hand him L.
Okay, but you gotta let him go after that.
Yeah, obviously. L and then I toss him a dub.
Black sovereign citizens are called Moorish Americans. Wait, that's what black sovereign citizens are called? I heard about the Moorish Americans. Karen?
I started the L, dude.
In this vehicle.
I understand that. So all right, then I'm gonna get out of the vehicle and I'm going to walk down to that house
No, you're
because
not.
you do not have
No,
authority
you're
over
not.
me. Well, then I'm not getting out of the vehicle.
No, you're not.
Why?
You're not free to leave.
Why?
As soon as I conclude the rest of my investigation, you will be free to leave.
I come in peace.
I understand.
I have not committed any crime.
I smell marijuana coming from this vehicle, okay?
I will not step out of this vehicle.
It's always interesting because it's like sometimes I do side with the fucking sovereign citizen even though they're annoying as fuck. Especially when it comes to like weed shit. It's like shut the fuck up, dude. Fuck you.
You have not committed a crime. You've never seen a crime. Terry, the Ohio.
I've never seen a crime. It's awesome.
That crime is afoot because I can smell marijuana coming from this vehicle.
The crime is afoot.
Wait, this gotta be Canada, right? No shot. This is America. What the fuck?
I don't know what's a foot mean.
Crime is afoot.
Crime is
What's
afoot.
happening?
But he's never seen it, dude. He doesn't have
No,
feet.
but the cop was like, crime's afoot here.
Yeah,
I smell weed,
Midwestern
crime's
cops are
afoot.
so funny.
Do you comprehend
I
Article?
have a lawful reason to get you out of the vehicle.
You do not.
Yes, open up the vehicle.
No. I would like to see your supervisor. I want to see what kind of crime. Are you violating my space? Are you kidnapping? Help! Help!
Are you kidnapping me? Oh no. I don't know if he can do that. I feel like he's not allowed to do. I mean, I guess is that probable cause, chat?
Crime's afoot here.
Crime is afoot.
One
I
way or
don't
another.
think he could do. He can.
I come in peace.
Help! 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 I do not consent! I do not consent! Help! Help! I do not consent! I do not consent!
We did not.
I do not consent! I do not consent!
Yes, you have to have his consent.
Are you peaceful non-competitive? I am not.
Why do white people think you like that you have to consent to a cop handcuffing you? Like they're not. You're not doing like, you know, S&M shit, okay? You're like you're getting arrested, dog. Like you can't. There's no. They think like, oh, I do not. Hold on, I did not consent. So what's the cop supposed to be like? Oh shit, I'm so sorry. Fuck, I forgot. I forgot to consent. I forgot to ask for consent, dude.
Not a resident of the state of Indiana. I am not whatever you think I am. I am not a resident of the state of Indiana.
I'm going to search this vehicle.
We do not consent to any kind of search.
I didn't ask for your consent.
No.
I don't have to ask for your consent.
No,
you do not.
You do not smell marijuana. I don't smell any marijuana.
Oh, it reeked of marijuana.
No, it doesn't.
It's still bullshit though. It is bullshit. And one thing that they'll do is they have canine units, okay? And they're like specially trained and they absolutely will respond to like triggers by their handlers. And it's statistically proven that canine units are fucking bullshit. It like in certain states where you can't search someone's private property, they'll just bring over a fucking canine unit. The cop, the dog cop jumps at the fucking car. Boom! All of a sudden, now you have probable cause to be able to search and even seize this person's private property. Yeah, 80% false positive rate.
Wow.
I wonder why.
I saw something the other day about how like you're not allowed to prolong a traffic stop by using like a canine unit or something, like that's illegal. Like you can't prolong.
Oh, that might be like something that they came up with in a way to like, you know, tamper the amount of abuse or taper the amount of abuse.
Citizen here.
Yeah. Yeah. Holy shit. She's got okay.
But
yeah.
I could be very wrong. Also, don't you have to have a warrant to get inside something?
No, that's what I'm saying.
The canine thing.
The canine is the way that you get around the warrant. So, like, if there's an active crime, a cop can, like, obviously violate your private property. They can search and seize your property. If there's a crime that is happening, like if there's a murder happening and a cop sees it happening, then they can, you know, stop it, right? Or get involved. But if outside of that, like if they stop you for like a fucking busted tail light, in certain states, I'm pretty sure just smelling marijuana on your own is not probable cause. I think you need to bring a canine unit. You know.
So you could hypothetically like fake the marijuana smell, the cop.
Oh
and,
yeah.
Like, put it on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so BM.
This isn't a thing in Canada.
I mean, it's probably.
Like,
I don't know if we have canine units in Canada, to be honest.
More the marijuana.
I really don't know.
It's like still not legal here, right? Everywhere.
I guess Canada's fully legal. I totally forgot about that.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you say so BM?
Yeah, bad manners.
I know what BM is. Dude. Officer, you're being so BM right now. I did not consent.
Officer, L ratio.
Yeah.
Fell off, dude.
Officer, you're aggroing me for no fucking reason. This is
You're
bullshit.
aggro right now? He's aggro? He's aggro.
Yeah, aggro, dude.
Yeah.
We don't smell any marijuana anywhere.
I smell marijuana coming from the vehicle. He's refusing to get out of the vehicle. Okay? So
I don't consent to anything. I don't know what this guy's doing. No. No.
You're gonna assault him?
Are you assaulting me?
Off,
Are you assaulting me?
You're assaulting him. We deny
Help! 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 Call the police! Call.
sure we are the police.
No! Help me! Help me! What crime have I committed?
We didn't
what
commit
crime
any
did you see
crime.
me commit?
Give us the ticket.
Carry the
Yeah.
You're gonna get tased if you don't step out.
Oh shit!
The taser?
Oh dude, of course, dude.
Crime have I committed?
They fucking busted out so quick, dude. Are you kidding me? First of all, you're lucky that they're just busting out the taser. If he was black, that was the lethal. Okay, he would have pulled out the lethal. No shot.
What crime have I committed? What crime have I committed?
Bro, like 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, cops were sitting outside of like what they suspect is a drug den, okay? This dude comes out, he's a paraplegic, okay? Like he has like the specialty car with like, you know, the fucking gears and stuff so he can still drive. They literally fucking grabbed him by his dreads and pulled him out of the car and like they beat the shit out of him. Literally fucking, you know, they like pulled him from his dreads in the middle of the street. The dude, his legs do not work. And he's like, I can't move. Like I'm paraplegic. He's like, it's so fucked up. Of course, a black dude. So, you know. Yeah. I don't like cops.
What crime have I committed?
I gotta stop doing this. Every time I have guests over, I just like fucking blast them with like all the brain rot that I have.
No, this is interesting.
It's honestly, dude, yeah, I'm all about it.
What crime? I have been assaulted with a tase gun.
So you know, money wondering why he came over now? He came over to get the smoke, dude.
Stop it! Have you been trained in proper use of a taser?
Damn. 3 dudes on him, bro.
I'm not gonna do anything. I just want my child. You just please let me go. I just
Just get your child out. Just go ahead and get in your car.
Call a lawyer.
Our cops are also in remarkable shape. Hey! What's good?
Haley.
Haley,
Nice to meet you.
Bro.
Baby, how you doing?
Hi.
Dude.
Doing good.
Here, let's pull chairs.
Yeah.
How are you?
All right, well, oh shit, we're gonna need extra chairs. What the fuck? There's other chairs in that room too. Damn, we got like hella people in here now. We got more people than I thought we were gonna have.
Oh, you got it?
Hi.
Oh my god, it's Team Solo Mid Mythological! What the fuck?
Huh? I think you guys should yeah.
Yeah, I can pull back.
Squeeze him a little. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait. We can make room.
Yeah, I'm
Alex,
trying to.
just sit-
I'm sitting on Hezbollah.
Just sit over there.
Hezbollah.
How dare you? Okay,
Such
this
a
is
sick
like.
rug, dude.
I had like some production people come over earlier this morning because I want to like build out this as like a full blown studio, and I literally was trying to explain to them like, no, I'm gonna have like, I'm gonna have like 2 people on one side. I want to be able to have 2 people on the other side, so we can play like Mario Kart and stuff, and then also be able to like move the monitors around.
Yeah.
And now we're going through it now.
Are the plans? Is it looking good?
It's hard. It's
no,
like,
it is.
I mean, it works right now.
We got TSM, Mythological, and OTV Leena in the house, dude.
Truing.
Yeah, right? What's good? Oh, you want to talk about that? What's happening?
I don't know if I want to talk about it. Actually,
Didn't you already talk about it?
I talked about it a little bit, yeah.
Did I just leak?
No, it's not leaked. I talked about it a little bit, but I like don't really want to make it into a big deal because I'm still trying to finalize my papers with TSM.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we were watching Sovereign Sovereign Citizen videos. No, I didn't leak anything. Chad, shut the fuck up. I saw you like went live or something, and you were like, "Oh, I'm right." Didn't you?
Yeah. I talked about it a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's like a long story to like cover right now, you know.
They all know.
Yeah. Well, now they do.
Just...
Sweater deets for Myth, please. What are
sweater deets? Oh, they like my sweater?
Ooh, yeah, they love your sweater.
It's for there's a store called Scotch and something.
Scotch and Soda.
Scotch and Soda.
Yeah.
Nice.
My friend took me in there once and I was like, I'm gonna get it.
Can you ask Haley where she got that shirt?
Really?
That was the first time somebody has ever taken fashion recommendations from me. That was crazy.
That's sick.
I need to go shopping more.
Scotch and Soda is pretty good.
Dude, yeah, shopping is difficult.
I am the worst shopper. I wear black shirts every day of the week.
You do.
It's
bro,
black.
I remember when you first
black
purchased your shorts for the
My
first time.
pair of shorts ever to play basketball.
Yeah. Okay, well.
Kirkland white tees. Those are the best.
Give Myth your stream key on God. Yeah, one of my mods sims for you.
No, yeah, Frogan is always in my chat.
Frogan?
Is that how you pronounce it?
Frogan?
Is that?
Oh my
is
God, you're always in. Oh, you're always in his chat.
Joe Rogan time?
Damn.
No, we're not watching Joe Rogan. I usually do. And right now, what's popping is that Tucker Carlson is like fucking literally interviewing Kyle Rittenhouse, but we're not going to do that right now.
Do you watch Joe Rogan like seriously?
No,
I'm the biggest Joe Rogan fan.
I love. No. The meme is that like the meme is every time I have girls over, in a one-on-one setting, I'll have like cute girls come over and then I'll make them watch Joe Rogan with me. It's not a meme. It's just like what I happen to do, what I end up doing.
Because why not? Yeah.
He's a chud.
What cute girl doesn't want to watch Joe Rogan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you know. Of course, everybody loves that. Did everyone actually take their shoes off this time? Yeah, they did.
Yeah. Wait, do people walk into your house and put their shoes on?
Austin. Exactly.
Of course he does.
Exactly. It's just a typical Austin.
Oh, nothing.
Dude, closest to Hasan looks like Johnny Depp. Damn, dude.
Damn, you look like that other guy that we were looking at.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. You're getting those. You take those.
I'm taking them, dude.
Hell yeah.
My goal in life is to have Johnny Depp do a whole music video for me. That would be.
That's a pretty good
It's probably
goal.
gonna cost like $2 million, so it's not gonna happen.
Well, okay, chat. Today we're gonna, play some Mario Kart.
Who's that? Is that me? That's how I sound to you?
A little bit.
Wow, dude. Okay.
That was really good.
You kind of look like Leon Trotsky.
Yes.
That's true. You do.
Okay, I'm talking about that.
Like this
His
guy.
hair kind of goes crazy, dude.
He got ice picked.
What's ice picked?
He just put an ice pick in the back of his dome. That's how he got
Really?
murdered.
Fuck?
Yeah.
Wait, why'd he get murdered?
Stalin.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh, he got murdered for being a counter-revolutionary and betraying the Marxist-Leninist principles and its applications under the Stalin.
What a fucking
under
loser.
Stalin's USSR.
Wow. I agree with that move.
He had big dreams about offering an internationalist perspective. He was just counter-revolutionary. Don't worry about it.
No, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Stalin's the bad guy.
It's memeing.
I like that.
Ice his ass. Bah!
Anyway.
Listen, I've adopted a new philosophy called mythism. I want to become rich, develop a social media platform, and then ban motherfuckers that go against me. But it's gonna be a social media platform that like people have to use. So like they can't get away from my power.
You have to use
This
it.
sounds
Great.
Well, why do you?
Wait a second. For example, you're an Instagram model promoting a diet tea that actually just gives young girls diarrhea. 4 years banned. Your career's done.
Okay. That sounds like how fucking... Well, Mark Zuckerberg just wanted to do a hot or not website, and now, you know, Facebook is...
Meta.
Contributing to literal fucking genocide in Myanmar and, you know, countless amounts of deaths through people not believing in vaccines, so... I feel like it's gonna be even worse.
If you want to join my platform, chat. That's
Okay.
all I gotta say.
Okay, someone in the chat asked me to ask you and Haley what this means. I don't know what this is.
Oh no.
Do you know your SPM? Haley, what's my SPM? Strokes per minute.
At maximum velocity. 7.
Yo, your face is so serious. Like this is
sad
not
too.
like look at the intensity in your eyes.
I was thinking.
You were like
I had so much to think about in that moment, and I was like, do I answer
Like you look like you're
seriously,
solving
or
a
do I
math
answer
equation.
as a joke. I was.
Not even looking
Well, you
at
have
him.
to calculate.
She went, if you average the moments where he
Yeah.
goes fast and then just
You have to
track that.
calculate like what
Y equals
counts
mx
as
plus
a
b minus e
stroke.
minus 4.
Give me the 2.
Like how fast are you stroking?
Yeah, I can see the Homeland like equations in front of your face, in front of your eyes.
Yeah. That's what happened.
Bed maths,
And
dude, literally.
7 was what I came up with.
1 stroke per 8 seconds, 7 seconds.
7.
Cap. You guys fuck with Zans?
Who is this guy?
His name's Tip.
Tip. He's dope, dude.
Got a
He has
nice
the
hat.
best fits.
Yeah. He
Hell yeah.
He
What's
dresses
your favorite
like
kind of
a
Zan?
Prince.
Yeah, his fits are a little bit.
They're super hard.
They're a little out there.
Okay.
You know,
Out there's a good word to
Yeah.
use when you're not fucking with it.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like it's too much. It's too
Damn,
much.
You guys have a drip off, dude.
I feel like, dude, what do you mean? I'm wearing like fucking Teddy Fresh shit
Dude,
that I
Hasan's
got for
outfits
free.
look like they were inspired by a what's that?
Oh,
one?
let's hear it. Let's hear you talking shit, Mr. Scotch
I'm
and
not talking
soda.
shit. It's
Oh.
just the truth, and you own it, and you know
what
it.
are you trying to say? You didn't
What's the one store where it's in all the big fucking malls, and it's like a hunter store?
Bass Hunter Shop.
Bass Hunter Shop.
Pro
Wait,
Shop.
no. It's like Bass Hunter Shop had a fucking orgy with Hot Topic, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is HasanAbi's.
Okay, I'll
fashion
take
sense.
it. I'll take it.
Yeah.
But it's not a bad mix. It's just it is what it is.
It works,
It
dude.
is what it is.
Bass Pro Shop, yeah, Hunter Shop, whatever. Shut up, chat.
It's out there.
Dude, you guys don't even know my next
pretty
line.
popular.
My next line of merch, sorry, apparel, is gonna be all hog shit.
Apparel.
Oh.
Yeah, Bass Pro Goth. That's me.
I'm
I
gonna
love
buy
that. Bass Pro Topic. Okay, whatever. Okay, well, I mean, I got you guys here. We could fucking play. We could play Mario Party. We could play Mario Kart. We could keep watching fucking. What do you call it? We were watching.
Sovereign Citizens. We could do IRL Sovereign Citizens. We could act it out. Roleplay.
What is this?
Be one.
Oh wait, are these is a sovereign citizen the people that are like, yo, I like live in America, but I like don't?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
That was
God, it's so fucking morons.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they're sick. They're awesome.
Which one?
Why do I have to get out the car?
Damn, he's got a sovereign citizen daughter too, which I mean, it was that one was fucked up, but
As far
this
as
one's
I
really
know,
funny.
you have not done anything wrong at this point, but you are slowly.
Bro, I love that they laced this in, like this is still going, and they like peppered this one into like different ones.
Reaching to that point,
you know what?
148 PC.
I'll get out of the vehicle for you. I will get out of the vehicle. And I'm getting
All right, well, you're not free to leave.
I
You're going to take the bag off.
No, I'm
You're going
not.
to take the bag off.
No, I'm not. Hey! You're raping me. This is rape. This is rape. This is rape.
Relax.
Okay.
Relax your arms.
It's relaxed.
Stop fighting with
It's
me.
relaxed.
Stop fighting with me. Stop fighting.
All right. I'm not fighting.
Center 2, 5-6. I got a combative X-ray.
Here, I'm lifting my arm up. I'm lifting my arm
Leave
up.
your arm right
It
there.
hurt, okay? I told you what I was doing.
This is pain compliance, okay? It's not meant to be comfortable.
Oh my god. Okay, to be fair, what he's doing there is fucking disgusting. At first I thought it was just like arresting her and she was overreacting. Pain compliance. Do you guys want to know what that is?
I have no idea
Fuck,
what it
this
is.
is supposed to be fun.
Go ahead.
But okay.
I like learning.
So pain compliance is a way for cops to literally legally torture you. It's a way for them to straight up torture you by applying pressure into certain parts of your body, into pressure points, and they do this to like protesters at, you know, oil pipelines and stuff like that protest, and like they'll chain themselves to like a fucking tractor or whatever when people are building pipelines. Like cops will literally come over and do pain compliance where they can give you permanent nerve damage. They can end up, because like they're literally like what are some of the ways that
They're just
they
like
do it?
fucking super pressuring pressure points.
Yeah. They'll like push it up your nose like this.
How
Like
is this
insane shit. How's it legal? It's America. Wait, are you Canadian too?
No.
Okay.
Who else is Canadian?
Both of them are Canadian.
You Canadian?
No.
Yeah. You're literally traumatizing them?
No.
Who else?
I'm from this shit.
That makes sense. I was like, oh, okay, fair, yeah.
Yeah, someone got like Bell's palsy, right? What was it? They put pressure on your wrist or your neck. They can step on your fingers, your hands. Yeah, knee on the head, arm behind the back.
Wait, so you got this grown ass fucking man.
They definitely do, but
fucking pushing her pressure points so that like when he could just arrest her normally.
Yeah.
Just
I mean,
because he can?
But if you guys ever been handcuffed, like that shit
No.
is also like not normal either. Like the whole point about cuffing you behind your back is that, well, one, your wrists fucking hurt regardless. Like they chafe, and I mean they cut into your wrist. But also putting your hands behind your back and arresting you that way. That's why like most people, your body contorts in a way where you like physically don't want to stand that way.
Yeah.
Like behind your
that.
back like this. So it is also another form of torture on purpose. Especially when you have to sit in the back of a cop car like that, so you're just like literally pressed up against the fucking.
It's all part of the plan, eh?
Yeah.
Those fuckers.
Is this what you talk about like at parties?
No.
That's.
No, I don't talk about this at parties.
Joking.
Come on.
I'm joking.
Even though I do like there half the time. Okay, half the stuff that I talk about at parties is like. People will be like, my mom is like an anti-vaxxer. Like, how do I deal with that? So then I like give them talking points and shit. You know what I mean? Like,
sounds like.
So it's stuff like that. Yeah.
Party.
Well, I mean, this is what I love. I love to do this, so I don't have a problem.
That's good.
Yeah. Wait, what the fuck? I was gonna show you guys like. Hasan has never used cuffs before. I've literally been arrested. What the fuck are you talking about? You're wrong. I've been handcuffed multiple times. Okay, so. Anyway,
Let's
that's
talk
so.
about brutality.
Yeah, let's keep talking about police
This
brutality.
is
Do I have your attention?
This is completely illegal.
Left your arm.
No! Take my bag off!
I can't.
You're not putting me in the car. You can wait till you get to superior. You are not taking my bag off. You can handcuff me with my bag on.
You're right. I will.
Damn, bro.
I'm comfortable with that. How it is? How you doing today? Can I get your name? And can I get your badge number?
Bro, this is why does every cop look the same? Yo, you know, at first I was like, Blue Lives Matter is not like about a race, it's about a job, but like cops are a race, bro. I swear to God.
Dude, you know what's crazy?
How?
I used to fucking watch some of these videos and be like, you know, I used to be a young dumb motherfucker, and I used to be like, do these guys got a point? Can you be a sovereign citizen?
I mean,
I was a dumb.
I love what they're doing because they're like harassing and annoying cops and making their jobs harder, which is like cool. But like they're doing it in the most annoying way possible.
I could have went down that road. I could have been in these videos.
This is me at parties.
So I remember in Texas.
Oh.
In Texas, you're arguing with the cop.
No, I didn't argue.
Yeah, you were hella arguing with him.
What do you mean?
The guy.
That's not what happened.
He just wanted to see your ID.
Yeah, and then I said I didn't have it.
No, you said I don't need to show you my ID.
No,
That's what you said.
Oh shit!
No, I
straight sovereign citizen hours.
I said that. I said that after, and you got really mad at me.
I
You're
got
like,
really
why the
mad.
fuck would I do that?
No, I got so mad at him because
I didn't argue with the cop.
initially you started off arguing. We can pull the people that were there. Ask Dex.
We could actually. I'm actually down to do that. We
Okay.
didn't argue after the fact.
But that's cool though, because they don't have a right to do that.
After the fact, okay, we were walking off on the side of the road. It was dark at night. This is the full story. There's no fucking sidewalks in Texas. So if you want to go to the fucking Walmart that's 0.3 miles away, you gotta walk on the fucking road. So it was really dark, and the officer, they pulled us over and stuff, and they were like, "What are you guys doing?" You're walking. You're like, "All right, be safe" or whatever. And then he started IDing everyone, and I had mine in I just genuinely didn't have mine at the time. I straight up. I left my wallet out.
Why did he stop you?
Because we were walking on the road, and it was dark, and it was a danger hazard.
Why did he stop you and no one else?
No, he stopped all of us because we were with a group.
Why did he ask for your ID only?
No,
he asked for everyone's ID.
You're the only one who said no?
I didn't have it on me. I didn't have it on me, but then after that, I said, even if I had it on me, I wouldn't have to show it to him. Probably wouldn't have.
You're right. And also, it's literally not your guys' fucking fault. Those cities are built in a way that is not conducive to walking around, and that's because they also don't have public transportation. There's this famous YouTuber, I forget what his name is, who literally got so triggered by going to Austin and how shitty the walkability was in Austin, Texas, that he left America. Oh, not just bikes. Yeah, no, he left America and lives in the Netherlands now.
I don't blame
He was
him.
It became the city was so shitty, or was it Houston? It wasn't Austin. Sorry, it was Houston. The city planning was so shitty. His name is Not Just Bikes. That he was like, it triggered me, and now and then I became like a fucking city planning YouTuber.
What a fucking arc.
Let me finish the story though. So he tells the cop I don't have to show you my ID, and so then the cop obviously he was gonna let us go, but then he's giving us a hard time now, right? And then obviously because you're black, I was like, you just tell the cop what he wants to hear so we can all leave. And then you just spend 5 minutes arguing with the cop, and then I had to pull up your YouTube channel because I was like, oh no, he's a YouTuber, look, this is him. And then the cop was like, all right, you guys stay safe.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I had the balls to argue with the cop.
You were hella arguing with the cop.
I argued with the cop?
You did.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
I was so mad at you. And then Zextra was there, K-Sid was there, we could pull him up. And
Okay, we could ask them, but maybe listen, I will admit to having selective memory in this case, if that's the case. But I would be shocked if I argued with an officer for 5 minutes.
You were arguing with the
and
cop.
that was the downtrend of my Fortnite career too. I did not have an ego by that point. That moment in time.
You still have a big ego.
A little bit. I think it's you gotta have something in the tank.
I wouldn't arguing with a cop all black is dangerous.
That's what I was telling him.
No, I agree, but
This was before the George Floyd stuff, so before all the racial tensions got worse, and he was just like, well, it's my right to not show him my ID.
I was arguing with you.
Even before the George Floyd stuff, you shouldn't argue with the cop all black.
Well, you were arguing with the cop, and I was so pissed.
We need to hit up. Okay, I don't know. This happened. I don't know. That's where I'm at, because I feel like I literally remember differently, but that's fine.
Yeah. Laughs at danger. Yeah, you were.
Laughing at danger.
Especially a Texas cop, dude. What the fuck were you doing, dude?
I don't remember doing.
You're a black dude, standing in the road, no ID, arguing with a Texas cop. That's crazy.
I just wanted to stand for what's right.
Yeah, but
But they don't care.
Y'all are just a bunch of fucking bootlickers.
People are saying that your rings are sick.
That what?
They're saying your rings are sick.
They like my rings?
They're dope.
Yeah.
Thanks, chat. I wear
2BR before racism. Yeah, that's when.
Can I get your badge
That's when
number?
racism started.
Can I see your driver's license and proof of insurance?
Okay. Let me ask you a question. As a man, what right do you
Look
have?
at his fucking wicked frames, dude. With his fucking skin hanging out of the corners of it. It's skin tight Oakleys, dude. Oh my god, look at this fucking guy.
Hard.
The buttons.
To
we should buy
another
some
man.
Oakleys.
Popping out.
No, dude.
Complete your fit.
Oakley, you put on Oakleys, you become racist instantly. Something, it just changes your brain chemistry.
Let me see your driver's license, proof of insurance.
As a man, I'm asking you as a man, what right do you have to stop another man?
The state of Texas is giving you the right to enforce the law.
Enforce the law.
You were doing 50 in a 40-mile-an-hour speed zone.
I'm speeding. Did you realize in the state of Texas that speeding in and of itself is not illegal?
What?
Sir, let me see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
He's trying to fucking debate him. Like, I love that.
That was me.
Yeah. It's like, sir, did you know speeding is not illegal?
Well,
Sir, I'm going to tell you one more time. I
Okay.
need your driver's license and proof of insurance, please.
All right.
Otherwise, I'm going to charge you with failure to identify.
okay, I'm still having to ask you a question here.
That's not how this works.
That
Let me see
is
your
how
driver's
it
license
works.
and proof of insurance, please.
Either that or I'm going to have to ask you to get your supervisor because I'm still asking you some questions here.
Let me see your driver's license and
So
proof of
I would like to know why you stopped me. Because stopping me for speeding in and of itself is not a crime.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's
It's
not
an
good.
This is not the right color.
According to the state of Texas, the actual it is the
The hand.
oh, you know.
It's not even very good. Oh my god. I've never
I can't remember. God damn it! But it is.
You can't be caught like that. You can't be coming in hot and then be like, I don't know. Also, I've never seen this color of ring before. This guy's like the fashionable
orange, bro.
He's the BBNO money of cops. Like he's just
yeah.
He's really out there. He's like trying different things. You know what I mean?
Look at his pen too. It's like a different shade of blue.
Yeah, he's
Goes
got it all,
crazy,
dude. He's got it all. Oh man, he's got a macaroni ring.
Oh, the attorney
got a
general,
ring
not
on?
the attorney general, but the prosecutor.
Does
Yeah,
look
the
like a
DA.
macaroni.
So the DA is the one that stated on page 19 that speeding in and of itself is not a crime.
Sir, I need
It
to
is
see your
not
driver's
illegal.
license and proof of insurance.
And I am not going to. Do you have a warrant for my arrest?
No.
Then obviously, if you do not have a warrant for my arrest, then you do not have the right to ask me for any additional. Okay, then you'll falsify putting me under arrest, and then that is going to be illegal on your part. And then
No, he's sweating now.
You think cops know when they don't roll the window down all the way? They're like, oh, here we go, another sovereign citizen, dude. It's great.
You're going to impound my car, which will be illegal. And then I'm asking you to state what right do you have as a man to stop another man?
Sir, I need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance, please.
Okay. Do you have a warrant for my arrest?
Sir, I'm asking for your driver's
Do
license.
you
and
have a
proof of insurance.
warrant
You can
for my
provide that to me?
arrest?
I don't understand why he doesn't just say like, no, I'm detaining you because you're violating the law by fucking speeding. Which even then it's bullshit. It's like 10 miles. Just let him go, you fucking pig. God damn.
If you do not have a warrant for my arrest, then this is a custodial stop. Am I free to go?
This is not custodial. You're detained.
I'm being detained, right? Am I under arrest?
What is this, chatter? 13 months subscriber.
Okay. Now you're saying that I am being detained.
You are being detained.
For what reason?
Because you were violating the speed limit.
Speed limit is not a crime in the state of Texas. No, it's not.
Traffic code.
No, according to the traffic code.
No, it is. He's just making it up.
Delusion.
It's page 19.
Yeah, page 19.
I mean, he's just like, I mean, technically he's Texas, so I don't know. Maybe there's like some fucking weird like horse racing rule or something from, 1878, and he's just using that, but like.
Okay, let's look at the traffic code. I have read the traffic code. The traffic code states that all traffic laws are for people operating a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle.
Wait, what? No, that's not true.
So there's no laws.
Yeah, that's
You're not operating
that's crazy. It's not a crime, it's an infraction. Oh, okay.
Vehicle.
This is not a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle at all. I do not have to have a commercial vehicle. I do not have to operate it with a license.
Bro, Texas is literally the dream of a fucking sovereign citizen. Look at this, look at this. So there's a basic speeding law in Texas and a prima facie speeding limit. The basic one is Texas basic speeding law prohibits driving at a speed greater than is reasonable and prudent under the circumstances then existing. In other words, motorists must always drive at a safe speed. What a safe speed is will depend on the circumstances. For instance, 55 miles per hour might be safe on a bright sunny day.
What the fuck?
But if it's dark and the road is icy, going 55 miles per hour could be a dangerous and a violation of the basic speeding law. What the fuck?
If the road is empty and there are no other vehicles,
you can go
I could
500.
go about 120.
So are there
Wait, don't they have like speed limits though? What the
Are they
fuck?
just suggestions?
Oh no, here it is. Yeah, some states have absolute speed limits. Absolute limit is simple. Sign says speed limit is 40. You drive faster than that, you violated the law. Texas, however, uses prima facie speeding limits. If you exceed a prima facie speed limit, it doesn't necessarily mean you're guilty. You still have the opportunity to prove in court your speed was safe. If you're able to do so, the judge or jury supposedly find you not guilty. And it's 15 miles an hour in an urban district alley. Wait, I guess this is like reasonable though. It's not that crazy. Ain't a law is a suggestion.
What a stupid fucking...
No, the signs are still there, but there's no law saying you have to obey it. Penalties for speeding. Generally, anyone convicted of speeding will have to pay a fine plus court costs, fines, da-da-da. Okay. So...
I think I read this website.
Wait, you can go 100 on the tollways? No shot. So in Texas, there are toll roads, private roads that you pay to get on. And you can go 100 miles? No way. I think they have it in Maryland because everyone speeds at 270, even though cops, as long as people are a good distance apart from each other. Colorado has this law too. You can't go slower on the highway than the flow of traffic, even if it's high above the speed limit. Texas is also notoriously bad at fucking driving. Like, Texans are so bad.
Texas is for real men.
Imagine bringing cool guests like singers and streamers over to have fun, and then you force them to read Texas speeding laws. Okay, dude,
I'm going to Austin Friday, so.
This is good to know.
Yeah, good to know. Good knowledge.
LA does have toll roads. Also, toll roads don't make shit easier. LA has toll roads when you're going down to like like Inglewood or Compton and shit from East LA. They have some toll roads, but toll roads aren't good. Toll roads don't fucking eliminate traffic. What eliminates traffic is public transportation, which we do not have adequate public transportation here.
True.
Mario Party, are you scared? Okay, so we have an opportunity. So we have more people here than I thought we were going to have. Oh. So we got, I mean, we can...
Loser passes?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do like Mario Kart.
It's probably easiest.
Okay.
Or we can do Mario Party, or we can do Boomerang Foo.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, you want to get your ass whooped again in Boomerang Foo, motherfucker?
Boomerang Foo is crazy.
Yeah! You want to do Boomerang Foo?
I'm about it.
I want to do Mario Kart first. Boomerang Foo is this game where you play these cute little characters and then you got a boomerang and you got to kill them.
I almost want to fucking do Boomerang
I didn't even know you could aim the whole
Foo.
time. He was aiming. I was like, oh, sick.
Oh, were you
I've been playing
him down without telling him how to play Boomerang Foo?
No, I've...
No instructions.
A little bit.
Okay, dude. I don't know why everybody says that, okay? It's fucking bullshit. Okay, let's do
Oh, you're really down bad after that Twitch Rivals.
Dude, I've been ripping people's faces off in Boomerang Foo,
Holy
okay?
fuck. Let's play Mario Kart and then I'll be willing to set you back in line
Okay.
where you should be when it comes to gaming.
Okay,
Like you did
before
with
we
me
do
in
that
basketball.
though, I gotta run a fucking 6-second ad break right here. He literally smurfed. Dude, you guys are such fucking pieces of shit. You will never let me, my chat, my community, they're monsters, okay?
Dude,
they
chat.
will never let me have like anything. They're like, if I lose because I suck. If I win, it's because I'm smurfing.
This is the classic case of, you know how like the bully, you know, he's dealing with his problems at home, so he goes to school and he fucking beats up on the little kid that can't really, you know, defend himself. Like, I was your parent that whooped your ass, and then you went to fucking school and then bullied the other kids.
Okay, well,
I'm
just don't worry, bro. Don't fucking worry, okay? But yeah, anyway, top of the hour chat. It's time for a 6-second ad break. Wait, did I run it already? Hold on. And if you no longer want to see those ads, you know what it is. You know what to do. All you need to do is subscribe. You can do that for $5. You can do that for free with a Twitch Prime. You know, don't use it on Myth. Use it on me instead.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's right. I said it.
47,000 subs.
Yeah, it's not enough.
God damn.
Here's the 1 minute ad break now. I don't do fucking ad deals, bro. That's it. That's all my revenue is subs.
That's a fair point.
Okay.
I had some deals back in the day. Oh my god.
Okay.
How's Halo? I was playing a little bit. Is it fire?
That shit's fire.
I haven't played it yet.
Dude, I really fell in love
It
with playing
looks good.
Splitgate for a while.
So good.
Did you play Splitgate?
I played a little bit.
Dude, it was.
Big
I feel
Splitgate
like
players.
the Portal concept or the Portal mechanic is so unbelievably fire. But
Yeah.
I haven't played Halo like enough. I was playing on a laptop also.
Laptop?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
You were playing on a laptop?
Well, I
With a
mean,
mouse.
yeah.
So you like
It's
Halo?
not a trap
Yeah.
pad, but
Yeah, at least I was playing.
How many controllers do you have?
We have 4. Here you go. 2 Joy-Cons, 2 Pro controllers.
I'll take a Joy-Con.
Here,
Yeah,
press
you wanna hop on the
press
first one?
LR. Whoever wants the other Pro controller. I'm taking one of the Pro
Wanna
controllers.
go first?
Yeah, you go first.
You sure?
No, you go first.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab something to drink.
Just press LR.
Anything works.
Press LR on it. LR and no. Use it as like a. Have you never used a Joy-Con before?
No.
Wait, really? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
well,
like
those-
that's how you're gonna do it. Oh my god, I thought you were a gamer, dude. What the fuck?
Why would you use this little dinky thing?
Both. Hit both at the top. There you go.
It's like we just naturally have a disadvantage.
Honestly,
That's what I'm saying.
like not
Especially if
really.
you-
It's a disadvantage for someone like myself because like I literally. Whoa,
Oh,
don't.
sorry.
Let me do it. Oh no, hold on. What is happening? Who's?
That was not me. I was touching absolutely nothing. We're good. Cranky watermelon.
Oh wait, I turned on Boomerang Fu. We're not supposed to be playing Boomerang Fu.
I'll play a couple games with Boomerang Fu though.
No, hold on. Let's play.
Oh, so you don't want the smoke, eh?
No. Don't A me, dude.
Eh?
I don't want the smoke, eh? Oh, brother. Okay.
Brother. Dude, Mario Kart 8? What the? Wait, no.
Yeah.
How many Mario Karts are there?
8?
8?
No.
Apparently,
Okay,
fucking
Mario Kart
8.
1, Mario Kart Double Dash.
Okay.
I count them all.
And then
yeah,
8.
keep going. Yeah, and then 8. That's it. Bro, there's like Nintendo DS, Nintendo DS Lite.
Yeah, but it's
Nintendo
Mario.
3DS.
Guys, okay, I want to see all the names of the Mario Kart. There's no way.
You literally counted 2. There's like original
No, I counted
Mario
3.
Kart.
That's what it is.
So it's
Oh, Mario Kart 64.
yeah.
Yeah, that's like 64, and then
No, you said there's Mario Kart, there's Double Dash, and there's 8.
yeah, Double Dash 8. How many? Do you know how many Mario Karts there are?
Mario Kart?
There's like 3,
It
right?
might be more than 8 actually.
Right?
Are you ready? I mean, I guess I have no idea.
You can play.
What's your Twitter? You want me to tweet it? Or put your Twitter on there?
Sure. It's,
What is it?
yeah,
Oh, you got Smart
my
Speed?
name, I think it's Haley.
It's the best. Smart Speeds is the best.
HALEYKAI.
Those things.
Yeah, but it's good.
DAWE.
There it is. Down. Second.
Motherfucker, you put me first.
Yeah,
We're
bro.
destroying? What are you trying to say? Is that a sign? Think you're hot shit at games?
Well, I mean, I'm not very good at any of these games.
Yeah,
Can
you
we play
actually
some real games?
You put me
I know,
last.
I missed the Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Hasan.
I used to.
Can we play Smash?
I do have Smash. I've literally never played Smash.
I'll play Smash.
You remember those days?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm good
It was a
at
good time.
just one, but I'll play.
Wait,
You
not.
stream Warzone?
I used to play Warzone. Yeah. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing a walling myself.
Smart Speed?
Wait. Oh,
Dude,
we
Smart
can't even
Speed.
see you.
It's
You're
crazy.
like away from the. You're.
Do you have the Smart Speeds deal, dude? I went to school at university with the person who started that.
Wait, really? I don't
Yeah.
have a deal with them, but I love their shit.
love
I'll
them.
take a fucking deal from them, dude.
I did like a little sponsorship with them, and they send me like pounds of Smart Speeds, like to the point where I can't eat it anymore. Like,
Dude, you fucking tell them to send me the pound of Smart Speeds, dude.
yeah, I will. All right, where am I? I'm okay, cool. Easy clap.
You're a Toadette guy, huh?
I am a Toadette guy. I play Toadette in.
I'm Zelda.
Have you ever seen the the chart of like what your Mario Kart character says about you and your sexuality?
Wait.
Really?
Yeah.
Dark?
I've
Yeah, that's
never seen
Zelda.
it.
Link is the girl.
Can we find
No, that's
that chart?
Zelda.
Yo, yeah, pull up the Mario Kart sexuality
No,
chart.
I think that's a, we need to pull that up. And
It just
see
says
what
like
it
if you like pick certain characters, it's like.
That's Zelda.
straight
Or yes, this
Like,
is Zelda.
really funny.
How do I check if
Plus.
plus sign? Right? Okay,
I
yeah.
like that.
You go for speed on this, right? Like, what do? You know better than I do.
No.
It's handling and acceleration, in my opinion. I can't tell you.
How do you,
Disadvantage.
How do you bring up the
Yeah, I don't know
chart?
what anything does.
This puppy.
Hey,
Thanks.
What was that?
let's enjoy Mario Kart.
Damn, look at the whip there. Big body over here.
Sorry, things are reversed. I don't know.
At the end of the day, it all comes down to skill and precision.
It does. Damn, look at the acceleration and handling on that puppy.
Skill, precision, and execution.
Actually, I feel like speed is probably important.
It's about drive. It's about power.
Dude, Dwayne killed it on that track.
You would say that, dude.
He kind of did go crazy.
What? He went crazy.
It's about drive. It's about power.
I was shocked that he made a song with tech. I love tech.
Is traction a good thing? I don't know if it is.
It's better turning.
Cool. That looks pretty reliable.
That's so fun. But you don't like losing.
I don't like losing.
Losing's for losers.
Huh?
I feel like I didn't do a good setup.
Yeah, I know. I don't like.
But even things that like you know you're gonna be bad at, you're like.
Then I just don't. Yeah, then I just don't.
Put Cam in the middle for a split, like right here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
that's
it's gonna
it.
be the four-way split.
Oh. Good job, chat. Good shit.
What a weird placement for the camera. I'm just gonna hide this, and I'm never gonna use it right now.
I don't really remember.
I don't know any of these. Last time we did
this.
the.
What did you turn? You like spin it, and then you like. I think you, and then R is jump. So when you go off a jump, you go like. Woo.
Yeah.
Which one should we do? Which one should we do?
Moo Moo Meadows sounds hard.
I like Moon Meadows.
Oh, so you do.
Do they have Rainbow Road in this bitch?
Anything but that.
They do.
Oh, why?
You gotta play on that one then. For the first one.
Still
No,
not
not
the
the
right.
first one.
Oh, here are all the games. What's GC? Oh, GameCube.
Alright, play banana bullshit.
64, DS, 3D. What's 3DS?
Maybe do.
Oh, is that the one with the double screen?
Moo Moo Meadows? Is that good? Isn't that annoying?
Moon Meadows is.
Wait, you know that one. You've played it.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
we're not doing it. That's a tactical
Just
advantage.
house across the road. It's
That's a tactical advantage that she has. We're not doing that.
So cute though.
Okay, fuck it.
You
Let's
play
just
Dry
do
Dry?
it.
Oh, whatever.
Fuck it. Let's do it. Who cares?
I'm not.
I'm
And
not
does
gonna
your
win anyway.
Controller, like it doesn't affect like you.
I have
the controller
literally.
doesn't
You're
affect
asking the
you
wrong person.
actually.
I have fucking no idea.
You were talking all that shit, saying you're so good at this game.
No. I'm terrible at this
No,
game.
he is good. He's fine.
No, he's lying.
I've never played this game.
He's gassing me up. I've never.
Wait, you've never played Mario Kart?
I played
We've
like
never played Mario
old
Kart at
school
all.
Mario Kart.
Okay, never mind.
But I mean, it's just.
I was about to say.
Yeah.
No, that's fair then. I don't think I played. I played this one once.
Dude, I never get the boost.
Yeah.
And the racers are off.
We need fire commentary. Whole way through.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have Hasi running around the track, making the swift churn, but it's Yoshi himself taking over to second place.
Perfect boost off the side.
How do I use my items?
I think Y. Nope, nothing else.
No.
Is it the other trigger?
I'm so.
It's your right trigger.
Oh no! I got clapped up for no reason.
Are you Waluigi? Oh, we're getting squid ink, dude. Squid ink past her right now. Dude, who just passed me, man? No.
Oh come on! No way, dude.
Oh, I got bananas.
It is.
Oh, there are cows here.
Play, not on the little Joy-Con thing. There's no doubt.
There's some moo-moos. So I'm missing the double box.
Oh, I don't know which one goes.
Oh my. Oh no. Dude. Okay. Yoshi.
Oh, I have the safety thing on.
Oh, I fucking missed out.
So many cows. Come on,
fucked it up.
Are you able to turn the safety over?
Who's Zelda?
That's not Zelda.
Who's Zelda? Who is that?
That's Link.
Oh,
Damn.
who's Zelda? Oh wait, oh that's me.
Oh, good
Oh
shit.
wait.
Oh my god,
Damn.
that's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's what?
That is you.
That is me.
Yeah, we should pull up the Mario Kart sexuality chart that Haley was talking about.
Did you think I was playing for a second? Be honest.
What? What do you
Did you
mean?
think I was playing for a second when you tried
Damn,
to
Haley, you
Zelda?
clapped. Hasan and Haley, dude.
Are you? Can you turn off the like?
I think it's called Smart
the
Stand.
bumper.
Yeah, I don't know if you can turn it off during the
That's fine. We
race.
don't have to now.
Alright,
It's
I'm
just
tagging
crazy.
you in.
You're tagging me in.
Oh shit.
In the middle of your
Team Solo Mid Mythological comes in
The gamer has been spawned.
in place of
How the fuck do I drive?
OTV Leena. Alright, you actually have
Do you
Let's try to
tap this
clap
part?
with no.
No, I think it's like you hold and then you release and then you hold again.
Oh.
Hold it at the end.
It used to
and
just
she
be
was
that.
fading out.
No, I don't know. Wait, where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay, that's not that one. Got it. Alright, you guys are fucking out. The
Flawless. Oh. Oh, I definitely don't even use them.
You have like the automatic. I just hit myself with the banana.
Oh, there we go. Who's fifth? I'm coming for your bitch ass.
Hey.
Dude, why is everyone so fast? Like,
Got a drift, baby.
yeah, no, I just booed for the drift right there.
Hit somebody. Hit a bitch. I hit like 3 bananas.
Come on. Yo, chill.
Alright.
Oh,
Squidding! Oh no! Squid Game!
Squidding!
No, what the fuck? Oh, I forget that the if he's holding on to the turtle shells, you still get fucked, huh?
There's comeback potential here for me.
ooh,
Feel it?
flawless.
I think so. This is it. Boom. Big. Big. I didn't know either.
Oh, that's fun.
There we go, baby! No! The fuck? That's a horse.
I just got
shit.
nanaed!
Come on here.
Dude, fuck this game. I'm in 7th. I was zooming past everyone, and you guys all unleashed your fiery hell on me. That's alright. Comebacks are a thing.
No, dude.
No!
Oh my god.
No.
Wait,
I
you
wanna
guys
die.
aren't even. Oh, I'm having to go against bots.
Bro.
Come on.
Why am I here? I'm driving on the fucking grass,
Bro,
man.
I can't go any faster. Damn, yeah, you guys are grass driving.
That's another banana!
Fuck, I got 5th place. That's terrible.
Damn, Peach.
Who's the little toadette on the
That's
bottom?
me, dude. I was first the whole time, but I got owned.
So I come back in the later half of the next
I had 4th place and then I got fucking cooked in the end.
Myth has tilt
Oh my God.
controls. No, I'm not tilting.
Tilted for sure.
I don't think you're supposed to run over bananas.
Bananas give you potassium. You should be able to keep going.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
I wish you would have told me that.
It's
before
actually
that one.
powerful.
That would've
It's
been
good
the
to
next game.
Oh, okay.
it's good to
Don't
step on
eat
bananas.
Cheap beach.
No, it's good
You know,
to
I
step on
used
bananas.
to eat bananas with peels on.
Come on.
What?
What do you mean?
I used to do it as like a
So
trick.
we're going to Kauai.
like, to
That
make
is
people feel weird.
disgusting, dude. What
Why?
the fuck?
CHEAP.
Are you supposed to hit it early and then do it again?
I just spam it.
One day.
I mean, dude, look at that. Look at the trigger finger over there.
Oh
You
shit.
hold it at the end of the 2.
At the end of the 2? Noted.
But you know what? Keep spamming it though. It's funny to watch.
I don't know I don't know the map, so it's like hard for me to.
Ain't nobody here to know the map, motherfucker.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, bro, please. Oh.
Get out of the water.
No!
Hey, red shell, mate.
Oh shit.
So you can just drive under the water.
Oh no, I'm slower probably.
Oh, let's go, baby. Come on.
Oh, denied.
Bring it home.
Water is
Who just took my 2?
You're bringing home first lap?
That was you.
Oh, come on! I'm already in 6th place. Why are you gonna fucking hit me?
Oh, mamma mia.
Damn it.
Oh.
What?
Oh my god, baby Peach.
Then we're down astronomically.
Come on. This is
So
what
bad, the kite.
This is what years of gaming has prepared me for.
Are you serious right now?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, there she goes.
Oh shit, dude.
Come on. Oh, hello there, Yoshi.
No, don't you dare.
How do you
Don't look at me.
Oh, don't look at me.
Whoa, no!
I got 2 reds. This is huge. Yeah, what?
Oh, I didn't see that there.
Come on.
Oh, what?
Oh, what?
Redemption.
Oh my god.
There's still 1 more lap. It ain't over.
Dude.
I'm so cooked. I'm never gonna fucking. I will never recover from
I
this.
just need to get some good power-ups.
Yeah, I need something decent.
Juicy.
Oh, what the
fuck?
Oh my god.
That's true. I'm gonna come back.
No, crap.
How'd I just get 7? What happened? You bit me!
Yeah, here we go. Chomp. Chompy chomp. Come on. Give me something good.
No, give me the bullet.
Fucking shitting me.
What? No!
Wait, Hasan!
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? No! 2nd place!
Take me up. Oh, fuck.
Dude, are you fucking shitting me? I was literally 4th and I got hit 1 green shell.
I was in 2nd place. I got finished in 5th.
Is there another map?
Damn, that whole table just went down, bro.
What?
That's solid strength.
Yeah, I think you hit your button.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That shit was dope. I thought you were real
I had
strong
a
for a
good
second.
run that time.
Dude, Haley's killing
Are you
it.
Toadette?
Killed it.
Yeah, Haley's nasty at all Switch games.
Yoshi.
Oh.
I am pro.
Wait, you Toadette? Oh, are you Toadette?
I hate this. I hate this game. I fucking bullshit.
Toadette did me dirty. You did me dirty. On multiple occasions. It was good. Okay, there's redemption. There's the 4th and
I
final.
don't like this one.
I don't know what
Well, I love
maps
this
are.
Let's go.
You don't.
Dude, this is why.
2?
This morning I had no voice, right? This morning I had no voice, and Chad was like, "Why don't you have a voice?" This is why, because I was fucking screaming last night.
Oh, baby.
Yes. Did you get the power?
I got the power.
How do you do it? Can you explain it to me?
Yeah, I know it.
Well,
I don't believe you.
Us internet people are a special breed.
what the fuck is this, dude? I just hit the stop sign. Bro.
Oh, would you look at that? Who's in first? Fuck.
Oh, you can wind tunnel.
No!
That's actually sick.
Please!
Wait, what does that do?
It's like you know when you're like a cyclist and you like bike behind people.
Ooh!
And then you can like.
Oh no! I fucking. How did I miss that?
Whoa, what is happening?
Oh my gosh, dude.
Cause I'm getting smacked.
This map is sort of who's smart controls.
What are smart controls?
It bumps you, like it bumps you from walls and cars and stuff.
The cars, eh? Oh, here we go. It's a movie now.
Oh no! I got inked. I feel like this is the worst map to get inked on.
Oh, give me the double. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh!
What the fuck?
This shit is busted. I'm zooming. No.
Wait, why didn't I get a power up from that?
Oh, bullshit, dude. I see you scrunching your shoulders right now, bro.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, there we go. This is the spot. Oh. Get away from the bus, fucking bitch.
How are you so fast? I don't understand. Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Oh! Holy shit! Holy shit, I just hit you. Get ready.
That was you?
Yeah.
That was you, you fucking bitch? What? Double fuck! Double fuck! That's fucking bull!
Hey, you dude. Let's go.
Yeah, you got wrecked, man.
Oh, there's a...
No, come on!
No, blue shell my ass.
Dude, what the fuck, dude? I'm in first place. It's our fucking round! The first ball! I'm fucking losing my mind, dude. You guys triple fucked me.
Shit.
This is so rigged. What is this?
No, you won. No, she won.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh.
Kiss your girlfriend hours.
Oh. And he's flexing, and they're flexing that they're in a relationship. I'm fucking single and I'm losing. There's a double L.
At least you got
That
drip
was
on.
good. You executed well. Your plan.
What happened, dude?
What did you say?
Oh, what happened? I got triple dicks.
This car is slow as fuck.
What did you say the steps were?
I got gangbanged like fucking Riley Reid on black.com, dude.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Power couple, baby.
Run it back.
That was insanity, dude.
New cup, Rainbow Road.
I would have won the fucking whole thing, too.
Hey, 300
We got 300 coins. Oddly
Plan,
specific.
precision,
Plan,
execution.
precision, execution.
That's good.
I think you gotta rework your plan a little bit.
Thanks, guys.
Damn, I feel like Mario would miss that.
Listen, you set me up down one car. Let me, okay.
I thought you picked something that was cute.
Let me play here. Okay, let's
Do
see.
you wanna play?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
No, I'm sure.
The first map, me not having that first map threw me off. Alright, once I have this map under my belt, all four, we're gonna. What did you choose us, Trace?
What color?
She picked Yoshi.
Wait, no, not like the series. Did we select that yet?
No shot ever listens. What's up, chat?
Never mind.
Huh?
Hasan, did you watch Riley Reid this morning? No, I don't even like Riley Reid. I think she's. I think it's mid. I think she's mid.
She's mid.
How do you see the statistics?
Plus sign.
Plus sign. Don't fucking worry about it. How about that? How about you don't look?
Bitch. Yeah. Why? Because you know I'm gonna put it together. I'm gonna bring it together in this last one.
I just don't want to.
Dirt.
You already fucking put me in the dirt, dude. I got fucking owned. I got owned. I went from
wasn't me.
first place to fifth place. First place to fifth place.
I was
if I had
in
won
last.
in first place, I would have won the entire
I wasn't
thing.
last. I didn't fuck you. I want to
Can I
fuck you.
turn off my smart controls? How do I do that?
I don't know how to do that.
They were
Maybe
saying you
maybe
can do it
minus.
during the race, but I.
Oh no. Here, hit plus.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
See
going for
SL, left
I
button
feel like
or
all
SR.
the speedy ones are really
Oh, so
heavy.
none. Okay.
And no acceleration. Down bad.
I don't know. I found a juicer McGooser.
Juicer McGooser, dude.
Juicer Mc-
Pumper McDumper.
Oh, that's the one.
Fuck, man. This one looks kind of cool.
Oh yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna go full speed and zero handling traction.
I'm ready.
Acceleration.
I can't decide. Oh no, I'm so indecisive.
The sweat. Sweaty lobby.
Is
I didn't
Wario
remember
bad?
but I can't remember.
I just love Wario.
I don't think
want-
the characters matter, do they?
Yeah. They used to matter.
Whoa! What the
matter.
fuck is that?
Hey, don't worry about it.
Oh, one second. I got it back
I'm
up.
playing Pog, dude.
Wait.
All right, let's do it.
I'm gonna try the Zelda one. Whatever.
All right, can you guys ready up?
I need a second, dude. I looked at his speed
Okay,
bar.
but still don't have to go.
And I got
Dang,
insecure
dude.
at the size of my bar, bro. You know how. Well, maybe you don't know.
I don't know.
Wait, how did you ready? Oh, I readied up. Wait, I want to take my stats
How
away.
the fuck?
How do you?
How?
I think the characters do matter, right?
They do?
Choose different-
Chat, give
They
me.
do because they have different weights.
Yeah,
so
they
like,
Fuck!
if you're a heavier character, you're gonna have like more
Let's just take it home.
traction handling.
What should we play? Wario Stadium? Sherbert.
No. Give us yes. This one's got TikTok clock for the zoomies in chat and Rainbow Road for the boomers.
I don't know what this one. I've never played this one.
TikTok clock, dude.
Turn tilt off. I don't know
One
how.
with tilt on. Is that the smart steering?
I literally don't know.
Chat's
And I feel like chat might be memeing too.
They're making copium for me.
I figuratively don't know. I literally don't know.
Copium.
What do I hit on ramps, chat?
Yeah, that one. So it's like a
Wait, how do we
little
do it again? How do we do it again? How do we do it again?
Oh no.
I think like two,
like
like two fade off and then
Okay,
one
oh,
press
I
again.
got it. I got it.
Wait, what? Two at two?
When it's fading out, yeah.
Oh,
I got it.
I'll let you go.
I'm not very
I'll tell you
fast. I'm not enjoying this so far. I'm huge,
Wow,
man.
we're playing for 2 seconds.
Wow.
Fuck.
Fuck. I hit the wall.
No! Okay.
Banger.
You know what?
Oh, fuck.
We're gonna start from here.
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, this car ain't it, guys. This is not it.
You fuck. Hey, somebody go in front of me. I dare you. That's all.
What the fuck did I just hit? Wait, what just happened?
What the?
Dude, this map is insanity, by the way. I have no idea what I'm doing half the time.
Oh, we got it. I think I wanted you to play this one.
Handling on this thing is insanity.
I'm so cooked.
Boost. Boom, big boost.
I'm so cooked. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't even know how I'm in 6th place right now. I mean, it won't be long. I'll probably get fucking owned in a second, but...
Oh.
What?
Would you look at who's back in front?
Oh, sorry.
Hey!
That was me.
Okay, sorry, I grew up with too many siblings for that shit to fucking... When I see that shit happen on a game, I know what that means.
No!
We're good.
Easy.
That was his song.
Oh, I fell off. I literally fell off the map. This is terrible. I had someone tell me I fell off. Oh, I needed that.
Oh, I needed that.
What the fuck do coins
These
do?
corners are really hard.
Yeah.
Oh, I just blew somebody up.
That was me.
Let's go.
No.
Big stuff.
Man, this car is so slow.
You go ahead. You use that boomerang before I pass you, please. Thank you.
No.
I'm so done. I'm in 11th place. I keep falling off the map. I've never played this map. I have no idea what the fuck's going on.
Hey, I didn't play it either.
Yeah, right, bitch.
The map
What do you
plays
mean?
dude.
I've literally fallen off the map like 3 times.
Hey, get that fucking boomerang away from me, buddy.
Dude, the acceleration, man. Oh.
Where's that first place fucking car at?
Oh no, this just happened. Really?
Fuck.
What is happening right now? I think auto steer cooks you on this map a little bit, honestly.
Dude.
Come on.
No.
Bro, take it.
How did I just come 8th?
I don't know how I beat you, but my auto steer fucked me on this map.
I really dislike this.
I do have auto steer on, yes.
The full
Or
speed
whatever, the
and
bumper
weight,
is
no
like the walls.
acceleration is not it.
Coins, I think, add to your points at the end. Also to answer your question.
It's like a Mario Party. You know when you get like 8 stars and then someone has 7 and like 1 billion coins and you lose? It's so it's so
that
annoying,
coin.
dude. Yeah.
Gotcha.
Coin hours.
Wait,
Coin hours.
did I turn off my auto? Oh, you turned off auto steer. So you turned it off for everyone? Is that how that works?
No. Just for myself.
I might have turned it off.
It doesn't even feel like it's that crazy.
That's why I kept
Not on
falling
that
off. I was
map.
like, what the fuck's going on? Oh wait, I want to turn it back on.
Piranha
Oh
plant
no, they're
slide.
saying you turn it on for yourself by accident.
Okay, here we go.
Well, at 2, it's when it's off 2.
While it's fading out of 2. Boom.
Ooh, I got it! Yay!
Huggies.
Yo, nice, dude. Oh, what the? Here we go, dude. Here we go.
How the fuck is everyone moving so fast on this map? Never mind. Stop. No. There we go.
Damn, I got. Whoa.
Is there such thing as gold boost? Yeah, there it is.
Gold boost?
Yeah, you gotta hold it down long.
Yeah.
Oh.
What? What? Dude, how does that not make it? That makes no sense.
Fuck me a banana.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I am in a banana magnet.
I don't understand how that works. Like, I actually don't get it.
What?
What? No! You bastard, dude.
No, I can't see you.
Actually getting robbed.
Oh.
No.
Give me a fucking box!
No! I need auto steer. Wait, hold on. I have
Princess.
to turn it on.
Oh,
Sorry.
that's how you. Okay.
I did it.
Cheaters cheat.
What do you mean? Do you guys all have it on? No?
No.
None of you have auto steer on.
I have auto steer on.
It's actually kind of annoying.
I can't play without it. I'm used to playing with bumpers. And I've also played way less than you guys, so I need it. I literally
Oh my goodness gracious.
Please tell me I make it this time. Oh, thankfully.
I don't do that.
Oh my fucking lordy, dude.
Alright, final map. Tighten it up.
Final map.
I mean, final,
The final map, dude.
Lap.
Oh no!
Bullshit, bullshit,
What the
bullshit,
fuck is a
bullshit.
boomerang, dude? Why did I...
Oh
What
my.
is that?
While I was drifting. Oh.
Somebody's smoking.
That happened to me every single time.
Okay,
I'm not doing it.
this is my push. This is my final push.
Dude.
I'm off. Maybe I should turn auto steer back on.
You bitch!
Dude, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on.
What is happening?
Anything.
Oh, dude, what? This map is doing foul shit. Wait, redemption? Shortcut?
How did people make
Yes! Yeah.
Number one.
Go! Yes!
Oh, the come up, dude.
You got a shortcut?
Fuck yeah!
There's a shortcut?
I didn't know it was there
Yeah, it's
until
a good-
I just had to go for it.
Yeah.
Oh, I played so
It's
poor.
right on that fence. You have to have like a power up.
Yeah, you gotta boost through the little bush.
We boost through together.
Too spooky
Oh,
exit. Thank you.
shit.
It's almost 7, by the way.
Okay.
How far is this place?
I don't know.
It's an arts district. What is that? Like 20 minutes from here?
Oh yeah, at this time probably.
I could double check just to make sure.
I'm so I will never recover from this.
Yeah, 7:45.
Oh.
Where am I? Oh, there I am. I lost my character.
My same screen. Like.
What?
Ooh, that green shell's gonna fuck someone.
Yeah, that someone's getting fucked.
What is happening? Who just hit me?
Bro, there's no way this lady's faster.
Oh yes.
Why is she?
What lady?
Dude, I don't know. What Peach's
Oh, yeah.
girlfriend? Yeah, Daisy.
Your girlfriend.
Keep it up.
Peach's girlfriend.
Isn't it Peach's girlfriend?
Who is?
Daisy.
Could be.
Daisy. Oh. I didn't know it was like that.
I thought it was more of a like situation. But yeah, maybe there's
Nice.
How did I just become 7? What?
what's up.
Wow, now I'm 8. Now I'm 9. Dude. Oh. This can't be real right
Keep it going.
No.
Is there a way to gain like extra boost when you go off jumps or some shit?
Yeah, you gotta.
Chat says you hit R or something, but I don't know how well that works.
Motherfuckers are these guys are emoting and it's making them jingle. Yo, whoever's ahead of me, prepare yourself.
Whoa.
Place are you in last?
Fourth.
Oh, I was third.
Yeah, until I hit you with that shell. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Long as yeah, whatever.
No. free bananas!
You guys just see what happened there? I just jumped off the earth and I landed.
Wait, there is a boost when you go off ramps.
Yeah.
You have to hit the drift button.
Do you ever?
At the very end.
Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Anything but that. Oh, bro.
Dude, another fucking banana? What is wrong with this game?
Oh, son of a gun.
What? No!
Here we go. Here we go. Third, give me it.
No.
This is the final. Yes!
Final map.
Yes! Yes! Oh my god, yes! This is it! No! Fuck!
Yes!
Fuck!
Yes!
What? Oh! Fuck this game.
I just came from fourth, baby.
Oh, baby.
I don't know how the fuck.
Was that your blue?
No, but you got hit and I was in second.
Wow,
Yeah.
light blue.
Wait, who got
Yoshi.
7th?
Good shit.
Let's go.
Roy fucked us.
Who got 7th?
Oh, I'm
That's
down
probably
to
me.
third,
That's me.
dude.
I came second. Shit on.
Shit on.
I mean, I was never winning on this one.
Oh my god.
Damn.
You good, bro?
Bueno, dude.
Those are sick.
You
The
love
no,
Coke,
those.
Diet Coke, dude.
I do love diet sodas. Oh wait, we have another race. I forgot. What were we gonna do after this? I'm forgetting. Oh, we can end it
Just
after.
about leave, right?
Yeah. I gotta change this stuff. Is this a zoomy map? Is that what you said?
No, this
This is a classic.
This is a boomer.
Oh, it's a boomer map.
This is a boomer food.
This is one where you fall off.
Yeah, this one's hard as
Oh, it's actually
shit.
30 minutes away from here. What the fuck?
Really?
No.
Wait, our sisters is like near Little Tokyo, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah,
I wasn't holding my drive button.
No, it's all good. Dude.
Fell off, dude.
We're all down bad.
Wait, what did these do?
No,
Oh, we're supposed to go through these?
Ah, son of a gun, dude.
fuck, I can't escape it.
The fall off is inevitable, dude.
Fall off comments.
What? How am I fourth in like 2 seconds?
What did I just hit? Ah, what the fuck is
Oh,
that?
is that second place?
Oh no!
TSM Myth pulling ahead of the competition, ladies and gentlemen, taking into first.
Missing all of those watermelons on the ground.
Watermelons.
No,
all the watermelons on the ground.
All the watermelons on the ground, dude. We are officially eating cantaloupe. Holy
hit somebody.
shit, this is insane.
This is big.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Dude, I have a faster car than everyone here. Yet I'm going slower.
What
Dude,
the fuck? How am I in 7th place? I don't even know. What is happening? Like, I was literally in 4th place. I'm in 7th place.
You're so lit.
Squid ink pasta.
Woo!
Squid pasta.
The squid ink collab. Jello collab.
You got a micro.
All in a day's fucking work, baby.
Then you're first, dude. You came on. Uh-oh. You're on, dude.
I got second. That was 3 laps?
Wait, what?
Wait, what? I got it.
No, it was 1 lap. It's like 1 lap, I guess.
Okay, I hate this game. I hate this game. It is the worst game in the history of the planet.
We all tied. That's it.
But I have most. Wait, are they gonna do points?
No, it doesn't matter.
Drivon's light blue Yoshi Pog.
You guys all have 39 points.
Yeah.
What about the coins?
I think it just evened out. That was
Oh,
the
okay.
end result.
I'm gonna lose my voice again. I'm gonna lose my mind and my voice. Okay. You want to do the sexuality chart or something? Is that what you want? Okay, we'll do the Mario. Which Mario?
What were the channel points on?
I have no idea what the thing was called. But we also have to go on 30, so if you have to get ready, it's probably best to end now.
Okay, we'll do that then. All right, everybody. I love you all. We're gonna end it now. We'll do this sexuality chart another day. Oh, the last prediction was BB No Money. Will BB No Money place higher than Myth? And 13 million points said yes. 13 million points said no. It was actually pretty even. I guess that's a tie, so it doesn't even matter. Anyway, love you guys. I'm gonna run the last ad here, the 3-minute ad break here. Okay. Thank you, OTV Leena, TSM Mythological, Haley, and not affiliated to organization BBNO Money. Woo! Thank you for coming, guys. This was a wonderful experience. I'm lying. It was a terrible experience. I got fucking absolutely cumstered and dumpstered. It made me feel terrible.
Banana foo or boomerang foo next time?
Yeah, boomerang foo next time. I'll fucking smoke you, dude.
Yeah, Smash.
We can do Smash too. I've never played Smash. I will get fucking owned. I've literally. I've played Smash like 3 times in my life, I think.
I used to play Smash until my brother would beat me whenever I would actually beat him.
Siblings.
It's fucked up.
So
You probably deserve it though. Let's be real. Sorry, dude. I get brutal when you fucking beat me. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyway, bye everybody. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Sunny Los Angeles, California, says Hasan. The stun lock to the stun lock to the topic that's just begun. There he is again. Hasan is streaming. Hasan is streaming. There he is again. Hasan is streaming. Hasan is streaming. Reviewing the P.O. box. Uncle Uger's face. Sudden discord agitprop. Gray names take on race. Tiny Bernie Sanders, LGBTQ Air Force. The whole left at your fingertips, and Anye out your door. The H3 Crowder debate, the Young Turks online show. 3 full fucking years of this, and plenty more to go. 90-day fiancé.